me a second. Give me a moment. What's up? How's everybody doing? I'm already dying of the heat, so this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be very entertaining. But what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Oh no! Oh no! Oh dear! Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, there we go. Ah, keeping it PG today. Keeping it PG today. Mud crab. Hi. How are you? How you doing? How goes it? There we go. Let's get this party started. Tyler, what's up? How you doing? How's the trading been treating you? Is it just amazing? Is it me? Or is it amazing? Okay. Asia High has already been taken. London High. Do we think we're going all the way back up to freaking New York High? Let's see. Ayo, mud crab. What's up? How you doing? Good morning. I'll do it for you. If you remember, that would have worked. Just like.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up? Michael or Zakara? Who's there? Is it both of you? Is it my favorite couple? How are you guys doing? So, Tyler, you're long on Nasdaq. Where do we think this is headed? Hey, Muya, what's up? How are you? How goes it? Again, I'll ask the question, how's the trading treating everybody? Let's now zoom in a tiny bit. Let's check out what we've got. It's the 3 a.m. open. No, wrong thing. Okay. 3 a.m. open. Awesome. Holy cow. Do we thinking? Robocop, what's up? New York continuation sells. Potentially, actually, this might be slowly headed up to mitigate all of the imbalances, and then during New York, it could fall back down. It really, really could. It's officially bearish, so yes. Hey, James, how are you? Oh, thank you. That's just a wee bit cute. Well, of course you guys are. Of course you're my favorite couple. Who else would be my favorite couple? How are you guys doing? Afternoon for me, but I hope everyone is doing well today. What time is it there in Australia today? Damn, that was quite an intense drop, actually. Let's keep a lookout here. Brightest future. What's up? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm gonna quickly hop onto the higher time frames. Let's go through all of them. Did we get a new daily opening gap? Oh, we did too. It actually popped into the new daily opening gap a few times. Okay, I'll mark it out on the 1 minute momentarily, but let's quickly check out the 5 minute. Mud Crab, you've been trading this or not really? $603, yeah, valid. Oh, you know, Mud Crab, I can't complain. I can't complain. On a tiny bit of a losing streak, but it is what it is. I can't even say losing streak. I've had the correct ideas. I'm just entering at the wrong moment, which is really frustrating to see that I had the correct ideas, just wrong moment, but it's fine. Hey Hannah, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? Okay, here is holy hot damn. 6:30. Okay. This is a intense inverse fair value gap that's happened right here. Wow. Just wow. Okay, let's see what we get. My wifey has a girlfriend over right now, so I have a bunch of little cars running around. So Lord help me. First of all, I'm offended that I wasn't invited. Tell Cara I'm upset. I'm just saying. Very upset that I wasn't invited to girls' evening. Rude. Second of all, it sounds like you're gonna have a very fun night. I'm sure the adult grape juice is out already. Henry, what's up? How you doing? This is... Oh, that is so cute! Oh my gosh, well, I feel rude calling them Rugrats. Well, what's up, girlies? Now I feel like I am actually a part of it, so it's okay. You're forgiven for not inviting me to girls' evening because I low-key am part of girls' evening now, so I'm happy. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. Do I have a Discord? I do indeed have a Discord. What's up? How's it going? It is in the description below. David, why did it not work? That's so weird. Anyways. I'm so confused. Let's call it fun. Her friends aren't annoying at all. She can't read this, can she? Hey, Lance. South Africa is hot as hell. Yeah. That's just it. South Africa is super freaking hot right now. But we continue. Damn, this is insane. Okay, I think we're gonna mitigate this imbalance slightly more. I did like that 6:30-ish area. Let's see about it. There we go.
Hi. Good morning.
This is just a joke and I've already hit the front. Oh no. Oh no, you're gonna be in so much trouble. That is hilarious. That's okay. We know you're just joking. And let's check 4 hour into this inverse fair value gap. Nice. Might want to retest 50%, come back into this fair value gap. And daily just for you, mud crab. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't write home about this, but it's okay. But okay, cool. I've been shoveling snow lately. Really? That's rare? Well, I'm saying that like I'm surprised. We don't get snow in South Africa. We don't have to deal with snow. We have to deal with heat. Hey Nomad, what's up? How you doing? In South Jersey, and yes, the grape juice is out, and also cocktail. I'm low-key jealous. I'm just saying, I'm low-key jealous. Someone is calling in sick tomorrow. Hey Ninja, what's up? I'm good, thanks, and you? How you going? Mama Maya. Here I go again. Ba bam ba ba da da. Sorry. Well, it's been really unforgiving lately. I'm afraid of silver because my prop doesn't allow silver micros. Oh damn. Oh damn, Lance. Oh thanks. Well, let me show you what happened yesterday. Like I said, that scream is pretty accurate for both of the trades I actually had yesterday. Because like I said, correct idea just entered at the exact sugar honey iced tea, exact wrong moment. Okay, let's not say sugar honey iced tea just yet. Here we had a change of character. Let's see if we get a break of structure down towards... Rude. Just saying. Very rude. But whatever. A little bit of a wick. Not as hectic of a push. Let's see what we get here. Anywho, so... I mean, you saw the trade that happened during London session. So New York session, pretty similar. Yeah, I say pretty similar, not meh. Not as similar. It was a half loss. It wasn't a full loss, it was a half loss. I mean, New York just ran away, for lack of better words. It ran away. Couldn't get an entry here, couldn't get an entry in here. Theoretically, this was midpoint of this range, of this full range. So it did come to retest the full range of this 50%, but I couldn't have entered in there. It was just a tad bit too large. I naturally entered where it did a little bit of a retracement back into that 50% range. So like I said, correct idea, just wrong moment. And then around here is where I said, no, I'm letting the emotions get me. Let me call it. So naturally this would have been a winning trade. And then it just kept going down. Looking at this, I actually should have freaking traded the PM session because these all look like solid trades. Damn. Yeah, that being said, this would have probably taken me out. It's half loss again. That one would have been solid. This one, would this have even gone up to 50%? Nope, that would have missed me. Never mind. I don't remember asking for your opinion, okay? No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I always appreciate your opinions, even if it is a sad music to go with it. Whoop, there it is. Okay. I'm good, just got here. Do I have Discord? I do have Discord. What the? How's it going? Now where's my favorite girl in this room? Hey yo! I don't know if Kara saw that, even though I you know, nice. Still the favorite. Hey Rush, what's up? I'm good, thanks. Did I take any trades? No, I haven't taken anything yet. Only been up for like 12 minutes. We have SMT on the 1 hour also. Ooh, interesting. What's up, Norman? How you doing? So, sorry, let me catch up quick sticks. I must say, that is the one thing I've been scanning through some other live traders, like been just hopping on their lives, checking out their lives, because you know, you can always learn something from a bunch of different traders. I'm gonna sound a little bit like negative here, which I don't like doing. They're really good, super props to them, but good grief, they never engage with people, and then I feel really bad, and I'm like, I asked a question, and 5 minutes later I'm still sitting there waiting, and I'm like, ugh. Anyways, so I'm sorry if I do that to you guys. I don't mean to. It's when I just quickly actually focus on the charts.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Yeah, I agree. Lance gold was literally an absolute money printer last week. Half first up 3-4 days, unfortunately been bearish. Hey Courtney, are we looking for longs? You're looking for longs today? That could have been an eval. Oh, shush, David. Silver is popping off. Been trading a little silver since NQ is market manipulated. Hey David, what's my favorite Queen album? Could you pick just one album though? I feel like that's a safe answer. Was very to go for a while, but lately I've been chopping me up even on trends. It's just been so much room to move without crushing you. When Solly is away, David will play the violin. Ninja? That was pretty good. That was solid. I'm looking for shorts as well. Hey, JZF, awesome. So it has tapped into an inverse fair value gap. It could retrace a little bit higher to what level? I said the 630-ish level. On the 5 minute, the 630 level is pretty decent. So it could maybe still continue to the buy side. And then I suspect, I'm more often than not wrong with my suspicions, but I suspect New York, it might continue to drop down. But again, let's not trust in that. Anyways, being a diva last few days, but you can still find some value. MD, the best live. PW and D are the best live streamers. They are crazy, following for a reason. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna have to go and check them out then, Lance. Sorry, I haven't really checked them out. I've only been checking out a few people here and there. Like I watched. I'm not even gonna, actually I'm gonna keep quiet because then I sound like I'm being negative about people. So I'm gonna Oh, basically, you're talking to... and occasionally checking the chart wiggles. Yeah. Because sometimes the chart wiggles aren't wiggling how you want them to wiggle. And in those moments, you gotta have a good chat with fellow traders. You actually chat to us too much in a distraction, but thank you for doing an awesome job. I appreciate that, Ninja. I'll take it. I'll take it. Give me a sec, gotta change streams because I can't see everyone else in chat. This trade is gonna go down and be a winning trade, and Maya gonna miss it. No, David, this would have already tagged me out and been a losing trade. Just saying. So, no. This would have been a loss if I did take it, so I'm glad I didn't. Big wicks, I'm really gonna focus today on the wicks of the candle and seeing if I can... That's not what I wanted to do. Well, I don't need that anyways. And see if I can start determining here. Like, I know for a fact I'm not always the best when it comes to price action and some of the signals. So I really want to try focus on... I was having like a proper chat with someone on Discord last night about focusing on the price action a little bit more, seeing if you can start to predict a little bit what it's going to do in the next minute or two. So I'm really going to be taking notes of the wicks and how they respond at certain levels. So sorry if I kind of go quiet or if I start like doing weird things with the mouse here and there. I'm really trying to get that focus on seeing if I can start predicting a little bit what's going to happen with the next candle based on what the previous wicks and candles are telling me. Like, I've always been aware of it, but I've never... How do I put it? I've never actively taken note of it. Maybe that's it. Like, I've been aware, like I see it, but I don't actively take note of it, if that makes sense. It's short targeted the 1 minute equal low, objection 5 minutes. This trade is going to go down. And short targeting 1 minute equal lows, rejection at the 5 minute value gap. It will go higher than 630-ish. Oh, you think so, Macro? Hey, only Damien. I've had a bit of a losing week, unfortunately. So I would need like 3 winning trades to pass. Yeah, 3 winning trades or so. They probably level out. Negative retest will probably have a trend down. Ah, there we go. Okay. So, Madcrab, what I'm hearing is I wasn't wrong in my suspicions. It might just go a little bit higher than the 630-ish. Yeah. Hey, Rango, what's up? And NQ Jax, how you doing? Maya, am I trading NQ only, or do you mess with the metals at all? I'm not loving NQ outside of New York session. I did have a look at gold. I was very overwhelmed by it, so I did kind of say when I started trading that I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around. So once I pass this damn eval, then I'll start having a proper look at gold in particular, because I can trade mini gold. Gold minis, yes. Do I use ICT or orb? Nomad, I use ICT and Nasdaq. ICT and SMC confluences. I have been dabbling a little bit with the orb, but not so much as a strategy, more as a confirmation. Does that make sense? So I won't say I use the orb as a strategy. I use it as a confirmation. Sorry, I read someone say, where's the coffee at? You know me, I need my coffee. I need my daily coffee. Which is basically this whole week, thank you very much. Yep. You say you've been checking out this free. Does it not mean anything? Hey Rango, what am I analyzing? I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Lance Inc. will be extremely volatile this entire week. Structured flip, we swept internal. Can you confirm on what you're looking at? Sorry, Rango, this is the Nasdaq futures. Let's have the 1 minute right now to be more precise. But yeah, it's the 1 minute. because you're being marketed from the you just Ninja, did I try out the drawing tool? Which I did not try out the drawing tool. Shoot. I was busy this morning and I even told myself I need to go through my notes and try it again. I did not try it out. I'm gonna have to try it again. Try it again. I'm gonna have to try it after stream and see if I can get it right for New York session. I think so. When was the last time I was wrong? Okay, listen here, Mudcrab. Listen here. I'm waiting for the day you're wrong, because then that is the day you... I don't know, you have to do something. If I have to call you... What? Daddy Crab. If you are right and I'm wrong, you have to do something when I am right and you are wrong. I feel like that's only fair. It's Mr. Oh, just about. I'm trading on my phone using the wife's account. That's amazing. What's up? How are you doing? I was like, Courtney. I don't really remember Courtney, but hey, how are you? Oh, that's so cool. Yes, man. There we go. I want to see it bleed. No wonder what, Rango? Tips hat. Am I on TradingView? No, man, I am on TradingView. Damn, I had like 4 cups this morning, yeah. Market auction theory in South African means market. It might be. Did I say it weird? Market auction theory. You're making me feel like I said something super weird now, Mudcrab. Just saying. Teach my trading, but she doesn't listen. I do, Ninja. I do. Thinking is on point, little Steve. I'm just trying to help. Asa like an invite. Yeah, no. Because she doesn't have to listen. Nah, Ninja's not new. Ninja's good. Like I said, by the time when I hop off of the stream after New York session, I try and shut down for the evening. But then, like I said, I actually ended up having a full-on conversation to Bob about price action and his strategy and so. You know, did I really shuttle for the session? Maybe not. But I shut down the charts because I was very tempted to get into a trade. So I got rid of the temptation. Let's put it that way. So you are correct. I maybe should have had a checkout this morning when I was logged on and going through everything, but I will do it after the stream. Or at least definitely before New York session when I come back from the horses. That's fair, you haven't been calling me as you should, because you would actually try to tell you what the right move is. You listen to the... Mudcrab is upset. Anyways, Wisdom, Joshua, what's up? Welcome to the chaos. Starting early this morning. I'm all for it. Anyways, haven't even had a sip of coffee yet and drama's already started. Guys, it's been like 23 minutes. Let's do this. Oh, thank you. You know, I've learned from the Nasdaq to be a diva. Just saying. Learned from the Nasdaq itself to be a little diva. Okay. How about it running down, now that we have had change of character and a break of structure, running down potentially to take out relative equal lows. I mean, I don't want to maybe push it to Asia low, but I mean, we're moving at least the fair value gap. Yeah, okay, running away. I mean, this is an A+ setup, and we actually have some movement, and we had the change of character and break of structure. That's not bad. Right? Right? Wisdom Joshua, thank you for... What's up? Why are you saying thanks? Wow, okay, so it's tapped basically onto the fair value gap on both ES and NQ. Oh my gosh, ES and NQ look similar today. Thank heavens. Wow, ES and NQ were not similar yesterday during the New York session. Okay, taking note of the wicks over there. Nothing hectic. 3. Ouch, I missed my entry on DAX. No, Ninja, why want to trade. Wait. A little bit of a bounce off there. Comes back up. Trace further down. I'd like to see a little bit more of a bounce, but this was a really good change of character and breaker structure. Taking note of the wicks now, like I said. There we go. That's pretty decent. 6. 5 is the winner. I'm setting it. I'm still gonna watch the price action though. Let's see, but I do like the setup. Nope, it's just gonna run away without me. Never mind. Well, let's see. I can still follow it down for now. Hasn't quite tapped into... I nearly said NWOG. That's not right. No. Okay, bye. Cheers, I guess. Oh, shoot. Bob level to Bob level. Really? Rara. David, did I ever get the chance to teach you day trading? Yeah, ask him that question. Not a chance, especially with this whole week. My opinion would be to not touch anything until the market manipulation is finished. But David, when was the last time I was wrong? What's the... Hey, Mike the Goat, how are you? Whoop for GZ. Heck yeah, whoop for, well, everyone that's been having great trading days. I'm not jealous at all. I'm joking. I'm super proud of anyone in this community that's doing well. That's the whole point of this community, right? Oh, I need a okay. It's going bye-bye. Good selling pressure. Good back up there. If it goes all the way back down to there, I won't love it. This is... Okay. One, two, three. Let me keep watching the price action. Sorry, oh my gosh, I am being quiet today. I'm so sorry. Wisdom Joshua, I trade prop firms 100%. Gotta accept the manipulation. It's never ending, really. Make an account. Can you help me set up an account on the weekend? Hey, no ways, David. You won't trade. I don't believe you. A lack of wick there, but a push there. See what type of reaction we get here. This is quite a big drop, but it is confirmation to the sell side. Let me just make sure it's not just manipulation to the sell side, though. We don't need that again. Yeah. Let me see how this reacts here. That lack of wick is not ideal. That's better. 1, 2, 3 would take out some sell side. That's what I would like to see. Is it gonna do that? Potentially not. I think it would be a major moment for the stream. What's that? If we can get David to trade? Was it swept? Highs then return to a bearish 5-minute fair value gap, internal rejection targeting the 1-minute internal equal lows. Oh, interesting. So wait, are you still in this trade, GZ? Kind of wanted to call you Jay-Z. I'm so sorry. It's just gonna keep doing this. Sorry, I'm adding this to my notes. Nope. There we go. Back down. Gamble. That's my thoughts right now, but still a gamble during this week. So how can I go about getting one? Wisdom? Oh, getting a prop firm? I mean, there's plenty of ways. I think the question is, what prop firm? Anyways, I think the question is, what prop firm are you looking for? What are you looking to trade? You know, help me to help you, basically. I'm trying out. We're still gambling this weekend. David, she's busy this weekend. Sorry, she's meeting the in-laws. Ooh, nice. Call you out. Like, oh, I'm up $2,000 for the day. Damn, GZ. Like I said, share the love. Thanks. Thanks very much. Appreciate it. Mad love. Yeah, all that. Joking. 5 years in prison, my crime. Good grief. Cara says you're always invited to your girls' night, Maya, and she just said, just you wait till you get here, girl. Oh, we gonna have so much fun. Maybe too much fun, but still. GZ, do you think this will head back all the way to Asia low, or that might be pushing it? Has it gone back? It has tapped into the new daily opening gap as well. It's actually bouncing off of that. That's what it has just bounced off of. It's a price action looking at this wick. Much bigger to the sell side. I want to see how it reacts off of there. That was pretty good. Okay. I still have 3. Ooh. Okay. Yes, close 70%. Want to see if I can rally lower. Ninja, what's the status on my eval? I will show you now. Give me 2 seconds. I have 1, 2, 3. It is an A+ setup. I'm just watching this price action pretty close. Let's see, because that was quite a big reaction off of that new daily opening gap. Let me quickly check the 5-minute, then I'll get back to you guys and I'll chat to you more, even though apparently I chat too much. No, I'm joking. Damn, I woke up being sassy today. I'm so sorry. The sass happened. Oh, I do still like it. I mean, it's quite a large range, but I'm not... Thanks, thank you for that. Thanks for that, I appreciate that. Thanks for scaring the living heck out of me. Much appreciated. Good grief. Way down here. Nope, don't do that. Keep that alone. It has tapped into this bit. I'm gonna have to go back and check the 1 minute. It looks like it's pushing quite high now. Still stuck on VWAP. VWAP, yes. Maybe I need more coffee. Wake the heck up, Maya. We have gone back into this range. Okay. Go back to the 1 minute. We can target Asia low as the main target was the econo, but holding runners to Asia low. Of course, we're just marrying. Stay in the country. There we go. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna want to come and get me. Okay, well, let's see. It's set. Wow, 50 ticks missed. Oh, damn, a ninja. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm back.
That's what she said.
SD mini doll. How can I do 2 lives at a time? I'm special. No, I'm joking. It's just, you can, no. Wow. Did I catch the continuation? Shoot, I did not. Shoot, I forgot to add that level. Leave me alone. Sorry, spam callers. Hey Tyson, what's up? It will go down. Hey Jules, long time to see you. Sorry, I'm catching up on everything. What's up? There we go. Wait for the bottom out works. I'm not watching NQ or ES right now. Nomad, sorry, I'm technically watching both. I have ES on the side here. And NQ is the main one though. Well, MNQ to be specific. Then I would enter the buy long where it finds a new shelf. Then Wait, so Mud, you would rather be looking for a buy instead of a sell right now. My thoughts right now, but still a gamble. Sorry, I went back up, so that was a while ago. Sorry, Mud. My siblings, they want to see the rallies. Oh, Ninja, the status on my eval, I dropped back down to 51,980. Okay, so 51, basically 990. Like I said, I've been having a tiny bit of a losing streak, but I continue. We're gonna keep going. That car gave me a great idea, David. She said to divorce her, then bring my over that way. No laws will be broken, and then I'll be free to marry her. What is nice so she can stay in the country. You guys are too cute. Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny. You guys will be a lot more homework for me. You could of course always just marry. I can't believe you got like the go-ahead from your wife to divorce her. Just saying. Any remove the chat off the screen. I sort of kind of miss it. Oh no! What the heck, man? I haven't. Sorry. Sometimes the chat just does that. I don't understand why. Why? I'm so sorry. I didn't. For crying out loud. I don't know why it did that. I'm so sorry. No, the chat shouldn't be removed. I don't know why it is removed. I apologize about that. It has its days. Hey Anthony, I've subscribed to your channel. Do I go live like this every day? Yep, every single day. Well, except for the weekends, but Monday to Friday, twice a day, London and New York session. I am here to annoy you guys and for you guys maybe to fade me depending on the day. Just kidding. Or am I? If you higher time frames, I'm on it. Okay. I'm gonna start with the more recent messages. I apologize if I missed anything. If there's something super important, please feel free to send the message again. Like I said, I thoroughly apologize if I did miss anything. I still think the sellers are in control for now. I could be wrong. Mooncat, what's up? Do the opposite of what I say and you win. No, Mooncat, that's my line. I am #1 trader in the world. Sorry, that's hilarious. Giddy, what's up? What streaming software am I using? OBS, what's up? Only at the bottom of the drop after positive retest, and that way I'll be looking to bounce. If you set up for the higher shelf, as you call it, you'll catch all the buyers' markets. Oh, interesting. How long have I been trading? Not even a year yet, Giddy. So no, I'm not profitable on live accounts yet. I don't... There's some arguments. Could I call myself profitable? Yes. See, I'm a bit of a negative Nancy, so I wouldn't just yet, but I know some people in the chat would argue with me. Sorry, my burn is healed, but it's so itchy. Yesterday took so long, I didn't get my entry till 8:45 p.m. at night. What the heck, microwave? Also, what that microwave? Currently in YM cells and contemplating gold cells. Ooh, but maybe I've just 5 Asia highs on years. Ideal place to take a short. Can I trade for you? Unfortunately not. Damn, I struggled trading for myself. Now you want me to have that extra pressure of trading for someone else. That sounds like a very bad idea, just saying. No wick. Decent wick here, but failed to close there, up there. Okay, sorry, like I said, I'm taking extra note of the price action and the wicks, specifically on the 1 minute time frame today. I'm just... yeah. Taking some extra notes. So let's see. There's definitely an option there to make some, but as I will continue to say this entire week, it's all really a gamble. A+ setups will look perfect, but will most likely retest positively. So a little bit like mine. The A+ setups were there. correct ideas, but I just entered on the retest and it just completely disrespected all the A+ confluences. It's fine. It is what it is. We're back. I need to try getting onto the short stream where all guys are chatting. I can't see anyone's comments right now. Sorry, Mudcrab. I don't know why it's doing this today. I do apologize, guys. I'm so sorry. Hey, Mac. What's up? Go away, bug. My screen name is Who's Laugh the Show Family Guy, if you didn't catch that. I did not catch that. Like, if you look at previous, see if it's been switched, you might be getting a reversal right there. Please don't say that. So it's tapped into, it did tap into the new daily opening gap. Let me quickly mark this out. Here's the new daily opening gap. Like I said, am I trusting myself completely this week? Not really. But let me check there. We still have a decent wick. And a big engulfing. Okay. I'm gonna be focusing on this solidly check. It tapped into the new daily opening gap. If we get a solid push through the VWAP, I might cancel this. I am focused. Can you guys tell? I know it doesn't happen often, but I'm focused. I want to slow up, fast down. That would be ideal. Slowly up, quick down. I could be cheeky. No, let's not be cheeky. But I could be cheeky. Maybe we shouldn't be cheeky. But I could be cheeky. Could always mark it in. No, don't do that. I low-key want to do that. Setup look less distracting. Hey, thank you. Well, let's see. Oh, with the chat. Oh, interesting. I'm sorry, Ninja. That's 3k in lost opportunity. It's because the market is being manipulated to basically everyone confluences. I'm out 1 minute for saying the word. Hey Rip, what's up? Did you say hi and I missed it? How are you? Wait, what time is it? Okay, 3:43, so it's not 4 just yet. At least the NQ is moving. It's still hard to trade, but you need some MMO to trade it all. And don't know you most likely just throws up screen. If you want to see everyone chatting on screen chatting, you go to my channel. I called I charged $25 of profits for trade management. Microwave. Screen down currently, right? NK7, yes, for now. The slow up. It's not quite as slow as I wanted it to be. 2. Let's see if this was a mistake or not. Hey Demonte, how you doing? I started marketing in more because being left behind hurts more than a 0.25 say. Lance, that's what that's what Bob always says. He was like, don't be silly over a few cents. And I was like, I guess. Like, you're saving a few cents. I don't know. Anyway, how was yesterday for you? Mac, yeah. Better mentally. Much better mentally. I did unfortunately have 2 losses. Just, it's not my week. And that's fine. I mean, that being said, yesterday was only Tuesday. Today's only Wednesday, but anyways, just being a negative Nancy. Hey Samuel, what's up? Now David cannot power up you. But it's fine, I'm untouchable. Yeah, you are. 22 hours, what's up? You ignore my hi. Oh, Rip, I didn't see it! Pipstar! Wait in the second, pull back. So I'm gonna create a W shape, which is a bullish reversal. I did see the W. But it's not so correlated with an SMT. Is it with an SMT? I need to double check the SMT that's happening there. Okay, I'm leaving it alone. Happy tomorrow Eve, yep. No, Samuel, I'm in for a short. Can I show you the 4 hour? I can. Sorry, I'm saying it like that because... Oh, for crying out loud. Sorry, I did the 4 hour on ES. I'm gonna have to call you Duddy. Duddy. Duddy! Wow, that's terrible. Look at my week. Okay, sorry, let's do that. Here's the 4 hour. So I'm just watching it jump around a little bit like a mad lad right now. Kinda glad I'm not on the 1 minute. This is looking a little bit crazy. Interesting. Anyways. See what I'm saying? When was the last time I was wrong? When are we going to see 100k days? 100? I'm sorry, what? 100k days. 100, did I just read that correctly? 100k days. Cool. Ninja, you certainly can. I haven't trained on it. Good grief. 5 out of 5. How many back tests have I completed and what are your observations so far? So, Rip, I was even actually having a full-on solid conversation with Bob last night. I need to start taking more note, specifically of price action on the 1 minute. I'm not great. Yeah. I'm not great with regards to the price action situation always. And to be aware of one's flaws is a good thing, right? So I need to really start paying more attention. So I even said beginning of the stream, price action, I'm really going to be focusing on what the price action starts to show. No bottom wick there. We had a wick, but it was okay. Let's see. Let's see. Little tap in there. I don't really want to see a rejection off of the VWAMP again, but anyway. Reset chart view. Mitigated that on ES. I do actually want to have this set up a little bit differently. Okay, I want to have this as 1. This is 1. And Asia low is 1. If we get there. If we get there being the key word, but that's the plan. You will bounce after finding a new shelf in your terms and then continue to trend down. I talked to Bob levels, recent nightcap. Shout out to whenever I use it. Up next. A buddy of mine made 80k last month. Damn. Nothing to sneer at for sure. Congrats. Damn, I'm jealous. I went on a tilt. Let's just call it as it is. My max is usually 2 losses, but I took 4 yesterday. Oh no! Oh my gosh, Mac. So I had 2 losses yesterday. My rule is normally 3 losses done. Then I'm full on done for the day. So I guess I didn't reach max limit, if that makes sense. Obviously still not ideal, but it is what it is. Yes, that's a good observation. Happy with that. Yay, thanks. Thank you, Rip. Yeah, I got approval. Will be the new shelf. No, Mudcrab, don't be here being a negative Nancy. Good grief. Where's the positivity? Where's the you got this, girl? Where's Kara? Kara will say you got this, girl. Put Kara on. I can't work and trade and chat my brain. Now you could find an entry for a long. It should continue to trend down until it settles into a sideways. Oh, if I am right. If I am right. Mud crab? If I am right, you owe me a pony. I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm totally messing with you. I'm just having some fun with you. Hey, you might think 100k is crazy. The same people scoffed at the crazies that said they were going to the moon. Look at us now. I mean, to be fair, back in the day, me just thinking about potentially getting like 1,000 subscribers was, I was like, no, that's not gonna ever happen. And now look. So you're right. Things happen. The impossible does indeed happen. Or the improbable. Let's rather say that. I don't think anything's impossible. The improbable can always happen. Ninja, please don't make the prophet's favor be in your favor. Cheers, Ninja. Mad love. It was bad either way. I banned myself yesterday. I'm thinking I should either not trade for the next 7 days or only take one trade for the next days into next week. Ooh, that's no. I absolutely hate that you are proving yourself right. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Oh. Like crap, I was like, what? What did I just read? Oh. So you've seen yesterday how price rejected my level. Yesterday everything worked wonders. Amazing day. Yeah, I just entered too early. I mean, same thing happened with my New York session. Correct idea, just got in on the wrong level. You know, things happen, I guess. But I did see how it tapped into your level and then instantly reversed. I definitely did see that yesterday. I took a note of it, actually. A bunch of hermit crab degenerates. What a bunch of hermit crab. Sorry, just because you said that. Just because you said that, I feel like this is valid. Where is it? No, where is it? This is valid just because you said that. Oh no, look at that wick. Buyers are taking control there. It's a very big rejection off of that fair value gap. Okay, like I said, I am really trying to focus on the price action today because I'm maybe not as good as reading it as I should be. Yeah. Okay, let's see. And you got this. Almost falling over, and her friends have no idea why she's obsessed with the chart wiggles that are on the telly. Ah, that's valid. Hello, friends. To be better. Okay. They can't all be as cool as us, but they're just gonna have to be better. I'm joking. I don't want a bunch of angry Australian women to come after me. Ooh, that's terrifying. I might be South African, but that's scary. When you decide to believe, reality has no choice but to reflect that into the universe. Ooh, that was very profound, Ninja. I like that. 25460 supply zone. Do you mean see yourself out? Do you mean supply zone or demand zone? Take the price high liquidity. Now the price is creating traps that'll continue the direction downside. Hey Viv, what's up? Did I say that right? Perfect engineered liquidity on trading view. So rocks do bleed. Celestial, what's that supposed to mean, buddy? Anyways, Okay, mitigate risk by half. It reached the 50% level. Looks like I'm getting a pony. I'm joking. I'm joking. Every time I become sassy, the markets do the opposite of what I want them to do, so I'm just gonna shut up. True day open is at 254. Laura, what happened? Oh no, I missed something. What happened? Laura? Okay, morning, so sick with sore throat. No! That's not okay. I'm so sorry, Laura. You don't get lost in small things on the 1 minute. It kind of has this power that, I mean, don't overanalyze it because it can cause you to get analysis paralysis. No, that's true. I understand that. I do understand that. Analysis paralysis, bad. It obviously won't help with my overthinking, which we all know I love to do so much. Yay me. Shoot, I don't love that I'm in this very close to 4. But I am in this, so let's see. It's just always been the rule that I've had. Mitigate risk by half when it reaches 50% and then break even when it reaches the profits? Not profits, that's not what I mean. Partials, that's it. We're gonna break above 25330. Above or below? Are we on the correct chart here, Tyler? Doesn't make sense to girls who have never seen a chart wiggle in their life. They're all teasing Cara for being a little trader. Oh, she goes, no, it's just hubby's friends who have accepted me. Absolutely. South Africans here for the win. Well, not just the South Africans, obviously. But we love Cara. Don't know if she can hear me, but love you. Mark out the true day open and you'll see the reaction from there. Okay, wait. Nomad, let me see this. Wait. Watching NQES right now. True day open is at 434. 434. Okay, so you mark out the day open. So I marked out the new daily opening gap, but you mark out the open. What about midnight time? Where's midnight? Midnight. Sounds like a horse's name. Midnight. It's also there. Interesting. 2 minutes to go until 4. Let's see. Oh, thanks, my crab. Now all chanting one of us. I love that so much. Oh my gosh. Like I said, my crab, get a Discord so that I can join you guys on a call and have fun with you guys. Honestly. Why? I suggest you don't do that anymore. Move the stop if you after the first TP is hit. Is you increasing your chances of being stopped when you mitigate it by half? Makes no sense when you trust the setup and out of it. Midnight open is true day open. I think Rip, it's because when it reaches that 50%, you want to see it start to push down. If it comes back up, then the probability of it going to TP is much lower. So again, it's probabilities. If it reaches the 50% of coming all the way back down, you then want to see it reach TP. Maybe not with speed, but you want to see it reach TP. If it comes back up to entry, the probability of it taking full stop loss is a lot higher. See, I'm speaking in your language now. I've learned. Midnight open is true day open. Thank you. There we go. Aw, Cynical, you're so sweet. Yeah, but in a bullish or bearish market, the mitigation can really ruin your profits. Okay, why? Why would the mitigation ruin it? Just out of curiosity. Sorry, like I said, make them basically partials. Okay, wait, explain please. Sorry, I'm getting all ready for explanations. Explain please. I think it could help when you trade at this time frame, not financial advice. Thank you. No. I need to be more aware of marking out. So as you can see, obviously I do mark out the new daily opening gap, but I should be more aware of marking out the midnight range as well. Sorry, there's the 4. There are these wicks. I'm still checking to see how this reacts. See another pullback back up before it takes out the lows. Probability there, stuck a little bit on VWAP. Big wick up before dropping back down. Okay. And I think in terms of one of my rules is profit, take capital as much as you can. Yeah, isn't risk management a big part, right? Does that make sense? User, no, this is not pre-recorded. What's up? Okay, wait. Capital as much as you can. Sugar honey iced tea. I didn't want to be in this trade still at 4 for this reason. Let's not go there because you already don't even know whether my is probable. I can ask you what is the probability. Get the trade revisit 25400 on the down. Mitigation is often great for your style. This market doesn't know what it wants right now though. I hear you. You are correct with regards to that. I apologize yesterday. I'm gonna journal and reflect on what I did yesterday and the next step forward. Oh, cheers, Mac. Enjoy. Thank you for joining. Always amazing to have you here. Asked before, how many profit targets do I have? Oh, interesting. Okay. However, don't get me wrong. I was trying to explain you that makes no sense to move before targets hit. But lower the probability of your trade to be profitable. So oh shoot, it's bouncing solidly off of VWAP there. That the solid no wick candle. Sorry, like I said, I'm checking this out. Solid no wick candle again. Okay, wait, broke below VWAP on ES. Never mind, I spoke too soon. Shut up, Maya. Still have 10 seconds to go. Buyers are coming into play. Definitely buyers are coming into play. Let's see. Okay, the wick isn't as bad as I would have thought. Let's see, what about, so hear me out, maybe not mitigation, but, sorry, now can you see it's on my mind. What about not mitigation by half? No, never mind, I was thinking, but mitigation to a... No. Never mind. I take it back. Hey Tyler, what's up? Helps you out and goes in favor of your trade and advance. And your price react from it. Oh, thank you. No man, 100%. I definitely will. Absolutely. Listen here, Mudcrab. Who's that? Wait, bring Kara back. No, I'm joking. I really do appreciate. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna thoroughly backtest it. I'm just thinking, majority of the time, Not always, not always, but majority of the time when it does take me out at half loss or at mitigated loss, it does hit full loss. Again, not always, but majority of the time. I want to say, like, again, this is just off the top of my head. I haven't actually done the math on it, but I want to say like 80% of the time. If it takes me out at half loss, it ends up going to the full stop loss. When you stomp yourself out. But when it makes sense, so my advice is move it after you took profit. I know, but then it was the discussion of the math. Of the math behind it. So if I did take, let's say I took some profit at half point, but maybe then it would just be a point of like here, just taking out one contract, depending on how big and how many contracts I have. Taking out just one contract there. So I'm really thinking hard about this now. Because the math of taking out half at this point, like I said, mathematically you should then just take out full position at that point. But I hear what you're saying about then don't move it at all until it's taken out partials. So you don't mitigate, you don't do anything until partials have been taken. Which would be all the way down here. Mine high, not low. Have to build confidence with your analysis by letting it go to where you want. Otherwise, you're going to be doubting a lot of trades. But half makes sense here. Half is above that minor low and it pushes above. Likely it would hit full stop. This part of movement. Like when Mercrab tells you to move your stop ever so slightly, you should, you know, when it makes sense. And what am I an Asian? Listen here. Listen here. You made your point, Mudcrab. I'm just saying, you made your point. I get it. I get it. I get it. The exact percentage of stop loss. Hey, Gracie Rose. Literally everything is green recorded and placed in my Discord. Like my new journal, kind of, yeah. Like my new journal. Every single trade I've taken is in the Discord. Everything before that is actually on an Excel spreadsheet, but I haven't been taking, like I said, I didn't take note of the moving of the 50% and how many would have reached full stop loss. So to the specific discussion, no, I haven't taken note of that. You stand, what would your lot size be? I'm going to lower my lot size and wonder what's the safe size. Hey London, I have actually not traded XAUUSD. Has anyone here traded that? Any thoughts on that idea? Sorry. Well, if it hits your stop loss, guess you were wrong then. Is this Miss Rachel trading? No. Hi, what's up? Block at 410. Let's see what happens. Thank you, microwave. Let's see. Okay. Wow, I feel like I am kind of trapped in a range. I like that it's broken below VWAP now, though. Oh, as I said that. As I said it. I have a buy limit at 312. At 312, damn. Okay. Okay, Tyler, now I'm happy. Let's do this. My TP for Nasdaq is 549. Give me a second. Sorry guys. I am in this trade still. I want to what? So, buy limit at 312. Let me actually go into this so it doesn't disappear. Sorry. Did I get that right? Retest and execute. Alarm. Okay, so a buy limit at 312. Okay. And TP for 549. How big is your stop loss? Seriously, how big is your stop loss? Oh, cheers, Celestial. The lot size purely depends on your stop loss capital size for Forest. I want to risk $200 on this, but if it reaches 50%, I can't risk 100%. Why? You mean $100? It looks... Okay, I guess that's valid. I guess that's valid. You trade on there? Again, isn't risk management... Here, like, I understand what you're getting at. Don't get me wrong. I understand what you're saying, but isn't risk management also key? Like, does that make sense? Does it make sense what I'm trying to say here? 25281. Nope, going the wrong way. Still going the wrong way. Nope, I'm going the right way. There we go. I'll put it there. Okay, so it's like a 4R trade. 3R? 4R. Cool. $8.1. Why did I put it at 8.2? What the heck? No, I didn't. I put it at 8.1. Sorry, don't mind me. The brain cells are... Okay, I need more coffee. I just need more coffee. I'm just teasing, honey. Honestly, extremely just I'm so very well known. Aw, thanks, Mudcrab. Well, I think in life in general, sorry, I'm gonna be all profound again. Sorry, don't mind me. Life in general, you have to be open to learn things. People that are very closed-minded are difficult. Like, obviously, if you believe in something, stick to it. I'm not saying now go and change all of your beliefs, but you have to be open to the idea that people might see things differently, and how they're seeing things isn't incorrect, right? Just because you see things one way and someone sees something another way, it doesn't mean that that person's incorrect. You have to be willing to learn how they see the world as well. Or in this case, the markets, right? You might learn something you didn't even realize. And I think that's really cool. I trade using 50 minute and 5 in 1 hour, and the 1 minute only for execution. True. Actually open to listening and learning and not just fighting against other people in your chats. That's an opinion. Except with the now what reason? Do you have an objective reason? I'm into that if Hey Gracie Bros, how's the trading journey? I describe it right now as 3 steps forward, 1 step back, which is better than the initial 3 steps back, 1 step forward. So it's getting there. It's getting there. Slowly but surely, learning every day. I mean, there was a stage where it was 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but I think we can say we're at the 3 steps forward, 1 step back phase, which is not bad. Cough, cough. Listen here. Listen here. Hey, David G, what's up? It's almost at my buy limit. I've got it all marked out, Tyler. I'm not taking this with you. Part of me wants to, but it's all marked out. You best believe I'm watching it. Sorry, I'm paying as much attention as I can. I have lots happening around me right now. Mudcrab, please get a Discord, because then you could send me photos and I can laugh with you, not at you. If you see a green candle to the upside within that range, change to longs. If not, keep the short. Lots of wicks happening off of this new daily opening gap, but let's see how it reacts here. Is that big engulfing? Definitely a support zone around this level here with all those wicks. This is where some buyers want to start coming to the party, but clearly not winning just yet. So that's promising. So I'm being a little bit preemptive with this, but still. Ah, David G, of course, I think. I hope, yes. Lots of drunk laughing and happy giggles going on. I love it though. Happy giggles are good. You can't be upset about happy giggles. If there was crying, I would be concerned. Then I would have a lot of questions like, why is there crying? Just saying. Is there a reason for doing stuff like that? You have learned something different. Someone seems something else will not make sense to the plan. Hey, Huddle. Sorry, I don't know why that scared me so much. Anywho. So close, yet so far. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Then I only have to make this one. Yay! The losing streak is over. No, let me shut up. Maybe I get cocky and then I get myself screwed. Anyways, let me shut up. Okay, so there we go. There it went to my 2R. Now I'm at break even. Thank heavens. Anyways, now let's see if it reaches Asia low. I still have it set for Asia low. Let's see if it reaches there. So I am indeed still in this trade. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait. Mudcrab, doesn't this mean that I was right? Interesting. I'm messing with you. Thank you. We did it. It might hit Asia low. Nomad, that's what I'm hoping for. That's where my last runner is set for. I don't want to be too greedy and try to set it for lowers, but no, I think Asia low is a solid, yeah, there's a solid point of interest for this low to go to. Okay, I can breathe again. Keep the short, don't close. It tapped me in at... What do you mean it tapped you in? Did I get the wrong level? I thought you were entered in at 312. What? Maya entering her villain arc. I'm exposed to Asia low. I think it might go a little sideways beforehand, but I do think it will. You were right, but I was also... What I said happened. Yeah, but didn't you say it was gonna go a little bit higher? I'm gonna actually just put this just by VWAP. Yeah, VWAP is a solid. Okay. Let's just pop this over here. Here was the damn entry. Damn, I have been sitting in this for a minute. Anyways. Not there, you chop. There we go. Okay, well, we are still in this thing, so that's cool. Did leave a runner for Asia low. Someone is enjoying herself being right. I know, it doesn't happen often, so you guys have to let me have this win. It's not often that I get to be like, haha, I was correct about something, so let me have it. Please, please just let me have it. Move this to there. Okay. If this were to retest this level, it's actually quite a nice level again. Nope, never mind. It'll enter buyer's market to jump up, so be careful where you enter basically, and that'll hit. Okay, fine. 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 I will agree with you. I will agree with you. I concede. Wait, 425, 350? Oh, yeah. Oh, so close. Yay! Okay, guys. Hell yeah. That was a goodie. Okay, I'm happy now. Sorry, I know that was a very weird noise that just came out of my face, but it's okay. Ah, basically a 3-hour trade. That's not bad. There we go. And now we are back in the green. Cool, I'm done. No, I'm joking, I'm not done. We're not done yet. Thank you. Unless your favorite couple tells you to drop a stop loss. Yeah, Mad Crab. Lesson learned. Whoop whoop. So I'm now back up to 52,377. So not bad. Let's see if we can keep it up. Tyler, I then have questions. I feel like this is bad. Usually on the money, or at least very close to. Oh, thank you, Mud Crab. Unless, yeah, like you said, unless you say that. Okay, guys. Okay, I can breathe a little bit again. I was seriously losing all faith in this week. But it's okay. I mean, that was a beautiful entry. That was literally bob level to bob level as well. I know a lot of people don't like the bob levels, but I do use them as a little bit of a confluence. Do they always work? No, but you know, stuff happens. Wilma's diva, I will take it. Like I said, I'm learning from the Nasdaq how to be a little bit of a diva. I don't think I'm very good at it though, but it's okay. Maybe one day I'll be a proper diva. I feel like I'm gonna have to learn from Kara. Bob to Bob always makes me quiver when you say it. Why? Why does Bob to Bob always make you quiver? Everyone who trades different. If it works, it works. It's how she trades. 2 more winning trades to go. Maybe, yeah, maybe more than 2. Yeah. Shoot, maybe more than 2. Depending. Let's say it's 3 more or so. It was a good one, but stop moving your stock because that's from a place of fear, not objectivity, but leave me alone! Sorry, not you. Okay to lose what you agreed to risk. Help you bit. Rip, hear me out. I don't know how I feel about you calling me this. I'm just putting that out there. I'm in gold on a 5080 short. Nice, honestly, the diva is actually teaching you well. It is. I think that's the one thing. I feel like Nasdaq is quite a diva. Which, I don't know, so maybe correct me if I'm wrong. Is Nasdaq more of a diva than some of the other assets out there? Oh, Platinum Player, how are you doing? 3 to go in my opinion. Let's see, I trade without a stop loss. Other people don't understand why, but it works for me. Dademonte, you cray, but it's okay. NFP week, the shorts from 3 o'clock on were crazy good. Hey, nice, Austin. So did you get some great trades in? Or I was trying to explain to friends what's going on right now in this. That's hilarious. Mad Crab, please, just do it right now on your phone. I will talk you through it. Get Discord. Do it. Go onto App Store. I don't know what phone you have, but onto your Play Store, Apple Store, whatever you got. Did you put in a risk advisory and reduce the amount you can trade? No, it did not. No. NQ is chill compared to a lot, to be fair. Really? Ooh, okay, out of curiosity then. Sorry, this is now a very interesting topic. Out of curiosity, What do you think is the most difficult asset to trade? Yeah, sorry, just genuinely out of curiosity, because I thought, you know, everyone calling Nasdaq a bit of a diva, I thought maybe that Nasdaq was quite a tricky one to then be trading, but now you say not really. Not everyone has their strat. I love hearing everyone's strat. Right? I love hearing how people trade, because everyone trades so differently, but it works. Well, for them, right? I think it's better for shorts. Now that is interesting. You think NQ is better for shorts? Yes, it is. It doesn't let you stay in profits long. If you are trading it. Oh, see, but here, now we have different opinions. Now we have difference of opinions going on. I love it. I love it. No, that makes it sound like I love the drama. I'm not saying I love the drama. Oh, it still has to go further down. We have created an SMT. Over here, it hasn't taken out Asia low on ES. This might have a solid pullback. I'm not going to take this yet. I'm going to give myself a little breather first. Let's not be greedy. Let's not be a hungry hippo today. Yeah. Let's not be a hungry hippo. Let's see if this would have worked out, but see, it still hasn't taken out Asia low on ES. I wonder if it's going to come and grab that first before maybe a shift to the buy side. I know some people believe this is going to just continue bearish. I'm hoping for Tyler's sake it goes up now. I got you. I got you, Tyler. Gold probably, when it isn't on a tear like it was a couple of weeks. Gold, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones are freaks of nature. Interesting. Silver obviously is new, most challenging vehicle. The leverage makes it unreal. NQ statistically has more green days. I'm sorry, wait. NQ statistically has more green days. Ow. Could that not be because more people are just trading it? No, probably not. Never mind. It's the most difficult because... Anyways, that's why price is up. Tech gets better over time, so asset class value increases. Damn, why did I just say it like that? Asset class. Anyways, moving on. NQ continuing to be very diva, don't get me wrong, but compared to some other futures, it isn't the worst. Very nice to read for the most part with experience. Gold, in my opinion, the way I trade at least. It'd be very difficult to trade. Damn, okay. Damn. Mike M trading view is delayed 10 minutes, but seems to be coming down to Asia low. Oh, Mike, oh, sorry. Yeah. So, Mike M, it did. It took out Asia low already. Wait. 383. We have different definitions, but yes, it took that out, Mike M. Because NQ is made up of tech companies and we're in a tech boom era. A 39-year-old dating a 19-year-old. Isn't that illegal? I feel like that's I guess the 19 is not illegal. It feels like it should be illegal. Again, I want to say like age is just a number. You know, I've met some people that have a really big age gap, but they are super happy. I think as long as you just get along with the person, it really doesn't make a difference. Hey son, what's up? Shoot, how much did I get? I was down 2990. They're around 400. Yeah, close, just shy of $400. No, yes, because this wasn't a full 200. Yeah, so just shy of 400, and that's okay. Relative volume is hard. Then use it would, you know, because the whole 21 thing, right? There's a 21 there. Isn't it still like... I know South Africa 16. Yeah, there's 16. It's illegal. I think they changed it. It used to be 18 and I think they changed it to 16. Damn, I'm trying to remember now. Drops on NQGs is volatile for after hours trading. Because one of them had money, that's why. Ooh. Damn. You tell. I got you, Tyler. Microwave the guy. Let's see. Made me fold like a golden chair from how cringe it was. Okay, you know what? I will give you that. I have, oh, guys, I've watched some things I wish I could take back. Like, you know when it just... I don't even think cringe begins to say it. You know what it is? It's the definition of that's enough internet for today, and you put your phone down. I've watched those type of cringe videos where you're just like, I'm done. I'm actually done. I'm finished for the day. I can't handle seeing anything else. Have to be 21, yeah, but it's 18 here in Australia. Oh, it's 18 there, cool. 18 here in South Africa as well. Pretty cool. 1 minute time off is in bad one. That's the rules, buddy. Yeah, there we go. It's them rules. If you guys say a bad word, you have to go on a 1 minute timeout. That's what I had to do yesterday. I don't say bad words often on live stream. Wow. Maya's only married. Apparently, as long as you're rich, it's okay. Oh, then, I can't relate. Never had that. Never had a... I don't know. Sugar. I don't even think I would want a sugar daddy. Believe it or not, guys, I am not a gold digger. Believe it or not. I don't think I'd ever be able to do it. Wait, Maya's 9. No, I'm not 19. I'm 27. I'm feeling old. I've been out of school for 10 years now. Anyways. I'll go just ignore toxic people. There we go. What? Go to bed now. Oh, cheers, Nomad. Enjoy. I hope you had a whoop whoop, by the way. Okay, that's more like it. Hey, yo! Is it Luvid? What's up? I have permission. My gave me permission to be violent on this chat. Yeah, okay, Mudcrab is the exception. He's untouchable. Hey, Arcane Angels, where am I from? I'm from South Africa, what's up? Unhappy, sit back. Microwave? That's hilarious. I'm gold digging right now. I ain't gold digging. You won't even let me help you with your gold. Exactly. If I was, guys, I don't know. I don't even know what I would do. You'll end up the breadwinner if you become consistent and profitable. Lance, that's the plan, right? We only dig market. Ooh, KRV, I like that. The only gold I'm digging is the GC. Get it. To get it. Okay. I low-key feel like I need a 1 minute timeout for that because that was bad. Only 10. That's almost 13 years for me, damn. Oh, hello, and genuinely I have no idea when I'm even swearing. It's part of my culture. Hey Quibus, what's up? How you doing? Where you from, Quibus? Welcome to the channel. Low-key, welcome to the chaos. You kind of have to accept the chaos with this, but we have fun here. I think that's what's important. We don't just trade, we have fun trading, regardless of the day. It might expand crazy. Please, I'm from... What's up? Win... Main? I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry. Samuel, try to look at the charts if you can. Don't worry, I have been. Like I said, I was... Okay. Let me actually, for 5 seconds, put the focus back in. I did say that I was just going to have a breather after having this win. I don't want to now just rush into another trade and potentially take back. I mean, that was a really nice point of interest. Took out Asia low and now we're having a little bit of a retracement. The question now is it going to retrace and continue to drop back down? Or are we going to start headed for the buy side? For Tyler's sake, I'm going to say buy side. Is it though? Maybe not, but that's okay. Tyler, I got you. Okay, let me quickly check out the higher time frames and then I'll get back to the chit chat. Okay, we have to sometimes have chit chat. Like I said, took out Asia lows, having a bit of a retracement nicely into that shelf. I mean, London is bearish. Trend is friend until it's not, right? I know it's trending on the 1 minute, so let's check the 5 minute. Yeah, there was that nice slow retracement up. Nice drop down. Is what I do like to see. Like I said, still higher to that 630-ish area. Maybe higher, because Mudcrab said maybe higher. I got you. See, I listen. Night night nomad, enjoy. I say, but living in Poland. That's amazing. Welcome. So I'm South African, still in South Africa. Now have full momentum potentially. I don't know. Keen on digging. You speak any other languages? Microwave. I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans. Unfortunately, that's it. It's really sad. I know like 1 or 2 words in Portuguese, 1 or 2 being the key word there, and I know a sentence in French. That's about it. It's just where I am. Okay, come on. How was the performance this week? I'm new to the channel. Hey! Honestly, it's Tayonga, or is it I think it's Tayonga. What's up? How's the performance this week? I'm new to the channel. Monday and Tuesday were unfortunately red days. I had a win now, which is awesome. Does it put me back in the green for the week? No. I think I'm more break even for the week than from this win, which is not bad. Yeah, more break even than for the week. So let's see if we get some more trades. Like I said, let's quickly have a look here. I'm on the 5 minute now. Let's check the 15 minute. I do get yelled at because sometimes you guys distract me. Ah, sorry! There. So I did create an SMT. Over here. I think this is gonna drop some more. Ooh, it looked quite nice there. Okay, still believe this is gonna drop. Maybe tap into the auto block. I mean, it's not gonna drop, Tyler. You got this. 15 minute. 1 hour. That being said, this might want to retrace further back up, but this was a very nice slow grind up and now a solid drop down. 4 hour. Okay. Here's how the 4 hour looks for anyone. Ooh, relative equal lows. Ooh. Why are we yelling? What did I do? Microwave, I think it's gonna buy. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, Microwave. You're so sweet. I think it's gonna buy. Thanks for subscribing. What's up, Franks? Am I an insider trader? No. Tears of prayers. Also, I think I would be doing a whole lot better if I was. You should take a break for the session. If you had a win, try in New York. No need to start shooting bullets. No, 100% Rip. Like I said, I am also taking note of like the price action and stuff, so I'm not gonna jump back into anything. Let's not give away green, obviously. Let's not be greedy. We're not greedy here. That's also low-key gambling if you just hop back into things. I am curious about this though. I don't think I wouldn't have tapped in. Big rejection, big rejection. Like I said, I'm trying really hard to start taking a little bit more note of the price action itself, especially on the 1 minute. Like, I am aware, try not to now get analysis paralysis, especially on the 1 minute. Maybe the 5 minute would be better to have a look at it. Let's check the 5 minute with regards to... with regards to specifically the price action. I mean, the 5 minutes not bad to actually check out what's happening with the price action. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Really big doji here. Yes, we trade usually inside a building. I love that. Angelo will go. Five account. 10 from New York yesterday. It's now got 11. Damn, I'm unorthodox. Day trader, are you good, man? Sideways movement starts. Well, if one of us gets a job in an investment firm, then we can leak all the good stuff to this live. I feel like that's very illegal. Just putting it out there. Let's maybe not do illegal things. Just a fun thought. Let's maybe not. You know what, screw it. No, I'm joking, don't. Check your 4 hour too. Gotta be a price action king in these markets, yeah. Line up the last low. New world trade goes good, laugh out loud. Trade bad, keyboard smash. Yeah, that's not what we want. Maya will get cancelled, and then you guys can't see me. Oh, maybe that's what you guys do want. Ah, I see, Microwave. You just want me to get cancelled. Wow. Kara will beat you up. And it sounds like her friends might be on board too. Hi, Kara's friends. What's up? I don't know if they're still watching. Back up there. That is, yes, so that is the 4 hour. Back up to the 4 hour. Want to also, no, let's not start over analyzing things. Really not bad on the 5 minute. Okay. At 10 years, I better be paid for my fun now. New pages and make instant transfer. Oh, no, Microwave, that. Still be able to see you. You'll live next door, Minecraft. Look at you go. Waving at you and saying, oh, you guys are so sweet. I really appreciate that. And the screaming. Thanks. Good. Are you having so much fun over there, Michael? Are you having just the best time? Hey, Step5, what's up? Like Wednesday night? I would judge, but actually it's one of my friends' parties tonight. Anyways. And now asking Cara if it's a good idea if she divorced me due to the vanity because everyone's away. Nah, I respect Cara too much. Got so much love. That is hilarious. It's going to look at the charts. Nice, Simplify. And have you had a look at... Yeah, an orthodox day trader. Love watching people trade. It's why you're here. Well, welcome. Listen, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. Sometimes we do just have big fat chats, especially if the price action sucks. Like yesterday, it was more of a chatting session. Now and then some chats about trades do come up, believe it or not. But yeah, not even gonna lie. Sometimes it's just nice to have conversations with people that are like-minded. Like I said, especially if the price action sucks. Like Asia session for once. Oh my gosh, I would laugh so much if Solly traded Asia session. I would laugh so much. Oh, I'm gonna ask him later. I'm gonna ask him if he did indeed trade the Asia session or not, because that would be hilarious. Asia market has been moving so well recently and he has not traded it. And today it went sideways. And can you imagine he traded it? I will lose it. I will actually lose it. In a good way, a fun way. Who said they want? Sorry, who said they want to beat me up? No, don't worry, just a bunch of Australian girls. You'll be fine. I told them the shoes are untied. Kind of a risky day today, so they're all being there. Oh, good grief. Ayo, Eddie! What's up? Please don't buy today. Unorthodox day trader? What do you trade, by the way? And how long have you been trading for? Sorry, a little bit late to that, but yeah. David, can you pick that up? I cooked some evils at 12. Nice. No, bad. Good? Sorry, Eddie, now I'm confused. Cooked bad? Cooked not okay? What's happening? You are evil, poor Solly. I don't think... Maybe he didn't. Listen, he stayed on the live the whole time yesterday. He's probably still asleep. Because he was here during the New York session, so he's probably still asleep. But if he did stay up for Asia market and it did that... I'm not saying I will laugh, but I'll definitely giggle. New York very volatile, London will be great. Wait. Yeah. It was Tyler Mudcrab. Different Tyler though. Different Tyler. Not this Tyler. There's like 2 Tylers. Just like there's like 3 or so Davids. I might enjoy that. Oh, okay, maybe we have a new one. We started... Oh, and High Life. High Life was also supposed... Like, the post. Good grief. And the girls, can you keep helping and picking them up for me? Good grief. 10 plus years for me now. For micros and binary and YouTube info was here. I'm self-taught. And an orthodox day trader, I'm assuming profitable, or else I guess you wouldn't be doing this for 10 years. Do you have a job on the side? Is this like your full commitment? Yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself. Welcome to the channel. Have I hey Cerebral, what's up? How's it going? At least a couple of mics. True, there are a couple of mics. I know there's like 2 Bobs. There's Bob, like Bob level Bob, and Angry Bob. He hops on now and then. I've asked him why he's angry, he's never answered, which makes me upset. Have I ever gotten mad when a trade goes bad and lost control on your family and friends? Wait, what does lose control on family and friends mean? Like, do I go around kicking the chairs or something? Do I get mad when a trade goes bad? I do try and keep it together. But, you know, we are still human. You can get upset. Normally there's reason for why a trade goes bad. I actually think I get more upset. Maybe this is so weird and maybe the wrong thought process, but I feel like I get more upset by being missed by a tick into a winning trade. Like not being tagged into a winning trade by... I'm gonna say a tick, but in all honesty, the last one was more like a spread. I got missed by the spread for a winning trade. That almost makes me more frustrated than anything else, but it's okay. Or getting ticked out for a losing trade and then it goes in your direction. Which lesson learned? I'll listen to Daddy Mudcrab. Anyways. Auntie Maya and Daddy Mudcrab. Oh my gosh. I had a dream about a pig trying to eat someone and I was trying to stop the pig, but I don't remember if I saved them or not. I don't know how to respond to that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how to respond to that. How do you think gold is going down? Going south in general, not a bull market. I'm out today, so market bounced back a bit last night, but all signs. Sorry, reading this. Signals are telling me bear, so shorts are the main order of the day with a few long options. Yeah, no, passing that because so many equals. Can you tell any funny thing that happened as a trader? Have you guys ever seen me rage? Have I raged? I don't actually know if I've raged before or not. Maybe we'll have an unhinged day where I'm just gonna go full blast unhinged. That could be quite funny. Maybe we have a select day and that is the day I just let loose, but it's probably also still a bad idea. Let's go back, check out the 1 minute. Let's see how it's looking. Again, that But that price action looked like it was going into control there. Buyers took over, struggled to take it. This is going sideways. New daily opening gap. Opening price was at that 430. 430, 430, 430. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Can you tell he'd be angry because of a woman? Very important that it felt. Oh my goodness. Sorry. As I try and read, a new message comes and then I miss what it said. Beep, 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 beep. Slightly very important. I felt the moment. Profitable 6 years now. Milking getting banned from prop for about 2 of those years. Unorthodox day trader. Have you met Demonte? I feel like you guys will get along like a house on fire. We're at where price opened and below previous close. So Eddie, you think it's just gonna range here for a little bit, right? I'm sure. I was trying to save them. Cash can break the look. Maya rages all the time. I actually found out that behind the scenes she drinks a lot of vodka. She abuses the charts. They're an abusive relationship. Microwave? You make jokes, but that's not fun. No, I'm joking. I would never. Sure. I think to drink adult juice and trade the markets would be a very bad idea. Very bad idea. Drunk trader would be funny. You guys are making me be like, oh, maybe we should do that for fun one day. But no, that's how you give away everything that you've worked so hard towards. Unless you specifically buy an eval just for that. And imagine you pass it one trade, Soma, because you're just like, I think it's this. And you just go in with the wrong amount of contracts because you can't see straight. You place them and then you just hear it go, passed. That would actually make me angry. That would make me angry. And it will be quite bad for my liver because then my stupid brain would be like, I should just start trading like that. Don't do that, guys. Bad. My stop's at 80 and gold was scary price action, but I like the gold direction for now. Okay. Whenever you say, imagine you're in an interest doing trading. Yep. Me and put me in live fairly quickly. What did I say? Adult juice. What? Adult juice. Adult juice. The juice that kids are not allowed to drink. Because it got them alcohols in it. Anyways. Wants to know what your favorite wine is, and also what is your favorite wine babies in general. Ooh, it's bad that I don't. Well, I like red wine. I'm sorry, cocktails are just amazing. But if not cocktails, probably like vodka and Sprite are good, especially grape flavored vodka and Sprite. Yes, I sound like a proper girl. That being said, I also happily drink beers. Maybe I just don't have a favorite, but yeah. Anyways, moving on. Just said she's gonna need a pure box food. Well, Mudcrab and Kara's friends, force them. There we go. Kara's friends. If you're listening, listen carefully. I need you to download Discord on both of their phones and get them to join the Discord channel so that I can actually give them information. Just a fun thought, okay? Kara's friends, I'm trusting you. You got this. The pros made us for anyway. By market behavior. They love you. Reason the market money. They're all on red button. There we go. Cool. Okay, they hate you. They need you. Hope you don't forget us, your OG members, when making millions in trading. No, I could never, ever forget you. I still, to this day, I remember. Franks, are you still here? Franks commented just now, so I think Franks is still here. Franks was my #1. Literally, like my first ever viewer that commented. So I will never forget Frank's. Never, ever, ever. Dark Angel and Bob are still my, like, originals. Like the Bob Levels Bob. I still remember Bob was the one that sent a message saying, "Hey Maya, you just reached 100 subscribers." So he was here when I was still in the little double digits. Yeah, I can't ever forget the originals. They're actually they're special in the Discord. They're like the founding members in the Discord. There's Franks, what's up? See? Franks. Always here. Mad love for Franks. Franks is my number one, my day one. Can I check XAU USD? I don't think I can. Sorry. I don't think I can. Or I think it might be delayed, so it won't really help. Sorry about that. She said they have names as if you would know them. Sorry, Cara. I need to get better at reading your mind from across the world. Okay, I will be better. I'm so sorry. I will. Is there an Ashley there? I would laugh so much. Is there an Ashley there? I was thinking. Oh damn! My needs banned. It's negative energy. No shame. When was I here, Matt? Ooh, Demonte, you were also. I remember you were having a fight with oh shoot, what was that one guy? He no longer pops up. He was all about the ES and he had someone called Dragon. You weren't here before. You were here before the 100. You were. Weren't you like 50 something? No. See, Monte, I remember you were also definitely one of the originals. But I'm trying to remember how original, because I specifically remember that fight, because I think it was like the first fight that happened. For the life of me, I can't remember him, because obviously he's no longer here. I remember he had a pupil named Dragon, and he was trying to tell me about something. It wasn't ICT. Was he using OTE method? Shoot, I'm really trying to remember. It was quite entertaining. And then I remember specifically that you like unsubscribe and keep subscribing. You're one of those unsubscribers. Keep subscribing. Sorry, now we're going like back to past memory lane. Oh my goodness, Mudcrab, that's so cool. Sorry. Hello, what's up? Oh, there's an Ashley, yes. Oh my gosh, when someone subs you. Can I actually see exactly when someone subbed? Yeah, I have this. This is the live subscriber count going on right here. Yeah. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? If it walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's a golden goose. Obviously, simplify. What's happening on Trump and the Fed? Good question. Is the government shut down now? Sorry, we're kind of going to politics. So if I had this set up, which I do not because this is not great. The buyers seem to be taking control now. Like I said, I'm trying to focus really hard on the price action here. Buyers seem to be taking control. I'm having a look at the wicks. The wicks are important. Let's see what happens. If I did take a short here, I would have been in around, well, at this 0.5 level. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I am paying a little bit of closer attention to the price action in particular today. This might retest and then potentially go long, which means for Tyler, that's awesome. But S&T 1, 2, 3, 4, did it take out the Asia low on ES? No. Still not. Ooh, nope. Just missed the low on ES, the Asia low on ES. I said ICT was a fraud. Ah, there we go. There we go. See him on day, I remember. I need time of isolation. Have I seen crocodiles here? Yeah, so I've touched a hippo before. So it was like a very specific place where you go and don't go touching wild hippos, people, please. Her name is Jessica the Hippo up in Limpopo. Gone and touched a hippo before. I'm not a keen on I'm not keen on crocodiles, but you do see crocodiles everywhere. I've been to Zimbabwe on Lake Kariba on a houseboat, so there you see a lot of wild hippo and crocodiles and terrapins, and there was a herd of lions and elephants. Yeah, it was very, very cool experience. But yeah, you see everything here. In March or April, I'm gonna go do shark cage diving as well. That's gonna be pretty cool. You want to hit a crocodile in Australia? That seems like a bad idea. You absolutely picked up. I mean, person, can you see if each person's exact time and date? Oh, no. I can't see each person's exact time and date they subbed, unfortunately. So the shutdown's over. Trump wants Papa out of the Fed. Oh, so Tyler's saying it is shut down. So now I'm confused. It is ordered. Hey, LP, what's up? Yeah, nice win. Now consolidation. So now let's see what happens. It looks like the buyers took control here. So let's see if it's gonna continue to the buy side or not. But yeah, this was some heavy consolidation that happened after it took out the Asia low. I don't be hating on Rip. Rip is a legend here. Yeah, 100%. Partially over. I'd be gearing up now for a sell. Oh, okay, then I read that completely wrong. Long at shelf, just shy of Asia low. So, wait. Mudcrab, you think potentially a low could be in the cards here? So this wouldn't necessarily have been a bad trade. Okay, I'm not gonna take it. Like I said, I now don't want to be greedy and do something that I regret. Been there, done that. Literally a few times. So I'm just gonna place this. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Herd Alliance, that's called a pride. Oh my gosh, it is. Sorry, I'm used to horses and zebras and things where it's a herd. Pride of lions. Oh my goodness. Do you know what a herd of giraffes are called? Well, the plural. Yeah, Steady Eddie, you're a trader. What's up? Waiting for break of structure, whatever goes up or down. Valid. I will blindfold myself and pet a crocodile. That sounds like a really bad idea. Do you? Did I sub to you? Oh, wait. Never mind. That took me a minute. Damn, my crap, you got me there. I would be gearing up for a sell here. I have to run. Wish you all a wonderful day. Keep grinding. Cheers. Cheers, Rip. Enjoy. Mad love. I'm gonna buy right now. Okay, so microwave's in a buy. Mad Crab is liking the sells. A herd of traders is called liquidity. Devontae, that is amazing. I told you it's a short opportunity, but at the risk of saying the same thing 400 times, every trade is a gamble this week after the red folder news. Always look for the nearest win for direction. Oh, W. I thought, sorry. You know, capital W, sometimes means win. For direction indication. M is opposite where? Yep. What pair am I trading? Hey, MG. So I'm actually trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Like I said, here would have been entry. Let's see if this takes out at stop loss. Potentially using the full range would have been better, but I wouldn't have done that. This might come back into VWAP and then start shorting. Oof, and this is why we go hands off after a win for a little bit. This would have been a... There we go. Would have been a losing trade. Okie dokie. Price action. Cool. Okay, getting... Okay, I don't want to say I'm getting better at this. That sounds bad. Taking note of the price action and the wicks is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, like I said, this would have been a loss, so I'm glad I sat on my hands for this. I really am taking proper notes of this price action. A tower of giraffes. No, it's apparently called a journey of giraffes. Hey, OTT! What's up? You are seeing a win. How are you? MG, good, good. I'm glad. Tyler, stop it. No! What? Tyler, I feel like I completely butchered this. I thought you were in a buy. I'm very confused. I am very, very confused. I thought this was what it looked like. Maybe I'm very wrong. Sorry. What happened? I do not watch cricket. I mean, I have watched a cricket game live before, but I have not, I mean, me. Sorry, I'm not really a fan of sports except for horse riding. The girl responded, she was like, what does that even mean? What do I say to that? Should I just... Beautiful. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So for anyone wondering the context on this, right? Shoot, I didn't save it. Oh no, OTT, what was it? What was that? I'm gonna use air quotes for this. What was that pickup line someone, Milo said yesterday, because it was so funny. Your so-called shelves, they are bounces right after where the stop loss would be. Okay, I see. So what I'm hearing is you don't like my shelves, Mudcrab. What's wrong with my shelves? Why are you hating on my shelves? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thanks, Lance. Why? Which of the bounces are getting good? You know how long it took me to actually use the right cons. Thanks, OTT. Over the top, good day, sir. What do I think about gold? Arcane Angels? Okay, let's actually have a hop on to gold. I don't normally look at it, but let's check it out. I've heard gold is being a little bit nasty recently, just from what I've heard. Sweet and simply, just looking at this, I would have to change. Actually, that being said, it's not terrible. I was gonna say I'd have to change my strategy. Here I would, but this just kind of looks like ranging. Sorry, let's zoom out. Let's go check out the higher time frames. This is the 1 minute, so that obviously doesn't help. 1 minute, still climbing up a little bit of a range bound right now. Let's check the 5 minute on gold. Obviously, I don't trade it. I don't know how it moves, so I do not use this as financial advice. I'm just checking it out quickly. Oh, there we go. Okay. This was amazing. This was amazing. Oh, thanks, my crap. Okay, this pickup line yesterday was... You know when you're speechless because I didn't even know what to say to it. I really didn't know what to say to it. Here we go. How could your father conjure up such a beautiful cake like you with just 2 eggs? What? I sat there contemplating life for a little bit after that. Anyways. Gold is ranging, but now, yeah. No, I love it. So basically, what you mean by shelves, but you're just a smidge off with where they sit for trade purposes. Okay. I love your shelves. Kara, Mudcrab, Ashley. There was a Tara there as well. Hey. I'm so sorry. I butchered that. I know there's Ashley there. Birthday girl. There we go. Download Discord. Was that your stomach? Sorry, my dog's tummy just made a noise. Good grief. Download Get them to download Discord. Come on. I hear someone say gold. Yeah, we're on gold here. On Forex, the equivalent of futures would be looking back a bit. Resistance is lower. NQ's behaving better, but it's hung up on VWAP now. Check the daily. Okay, let's check the daily on gold. Buy the physical stuff. Hey, some guy. Happy Wednesday. How you doing? Well, apart from the fact that I see Biddy's been treating you nicely. What the heck? Whoa. Okay, so I see the cheat code and then this. What the heck? Oh, was this when I tried to backtest it oh so long ago? It was too. Look at that. Anyways. Wow, this is insane. Is it just retesting this fair value gap, mitigating the imbalance, and then continuation back down? Or do you think this is just gonna continue? What's the weekly look like? I feel like gold has such small candles compared to NQ. Is that just me? It's just because I'm so zoomed out? Okay. Let's go back to the daily quickly. Mexico, the nearest market is 20 miles away. Wait, in Mexico, the nearest market is 20 miles away. Is it the same for you guys? Eddie, I guess it depends where in South Africa you live, but no. I mean, I have a shopping center, like, I could walk there. How many push-ups can I do? Like, proper push-ups or girl push-ups? You gotta be a bit more specific here. Cara, Ashley, Baker, Aaron, and Taylor. There we go! I got the... I'm just kidding. It's just depends. Ashley, girl, she's 28. Do I feel some sort of push-up challenge coming on? Oh, there's so many Ashleys. I thought I was unique. OTT! Sorry, bud. Take the weekly too and see how gold has been basically feeding freebies for good while. Then stopped. Had to finish work early to take my mom to hospital because she fell and hit her head. Oh, is she okay? Some guy, are you okay? Have I taken any trade? I did. I had a winning trade, some guy. Let's go back to MNQ. Listen, after Monday and Tuesday, I'm so sorry. Good grief. Okay, let's go back to a minute. So I had a red / break-even day on Monday. Yesterday was a red day. I had 2 losses yesterday. One was a half loss and one was a full loss. And luckily a nice win over here. So that was nice. This, I'm confused about what's happening with Tyler's trade, so it's fine. Back onto VWAP. It is kind of stuck on VWAP on both ES and NQ right now. Looking at the wicks. I still think the buyers are in control. Yeah, maybe losing some control looking here. Like I said, I'm really trying to focus on the price action today and try and see if I can start predicting better looking at price action. It's hard to read too much, but I think it'd probably mitigate and settle for a bit, but we'll have to reevaluate after that. But I think probably still would. Trajectory is upwards. Interesting. Push-ups, push-ups. Again, Demonte, you're gonna have to answer which type of push-up. Well, I hope it's not anything major. Some people eat all 3. Have you done the same? Oh my holy overground the chart. Nothing. That was like my old trading style. I used to mark. Don't judge me. I used to mark every single swing. yeah, like I said, don't judge me. Now I don't. Now I just, you know, you take note of them. But I would literally mark every single swing that had not been taken. So, for example, I would mark this, and I would mark this, and this. Oh, it's not very accurate. There we go. Like I said, every single swing that had not been taken, I would have marked. Okay, don't judge me. Trading around VWAP can be choppy. I wish I was better at reversal trades. Lance, I hear you. Hey, Trimars, why do you say that? Anyways, moving on. Moving back in the right direction after some huge on that Monday, didn't blow your top off, and I gave you crap and something fresh. If you really want to make successful trades, you should read news, publications, and stuff like that. Trimars, I would agree with you if I was more of a swing trader. There's only one type of push-up. I nearly made a bad joke. I feel like I still want to do it, but I feel like I'm gonna have to put myself in timeout for a minute if I do it. Gold is not for beginners right now. It's like, no. I think gold looks terrifying. Which is... I think it's also because I'm not very aware of how gold... I don't know how to explain it. I'm just very used to NQ. And it's diva wares. Hey Hogs, what's up? Microwave guys, what do we think on ES? My TP is 6950. Oh, it could reach those highs. I mean, those are relative equal highs over there. What is that noise? I'm hoping it's just the wind. We don't trade ES. No, there are some people that trade ES here. Here, we got ES 6950. I feel like that's valid. Like I said, there are relative equal highs here. It could want to come take out this liquidity, hop back into, what's it, the 4 hour. There's a 4 hour inverse fair value gap. I lie, the 4 hour inverse fair value gap is past this high. Yes. So it could maybe even go higher. Maybe it wants to recap that 4 hour. That made sense. That didn't sound weird. Moving on. On my way to South Africa. I disagree regarding the news. There's a saying, show me the chart, I'll tell you the news. It's not show me the news, I'll tell you the chart. Ooh, some guy, that's interesting. Wood cave. What? Yep, abroad. There we go. Thank you. We trade ES all day. Silver is the account destroyer. It makes gold seem mild. Pretty much untradeable, to be honest. That's terrifying. Monkeys, Maya, they're inside again. Thank heavens not. I know that because this is the only window closed and Perry is here and he would be going crazy. He would be going crazy. But some news really does dictate the chart wiggles. But that's why I stay out of the charts when there's major news. Right? Especially Redfold, I try and make sure I'm not in a trade, wait for the major news, and then hop into it. Oh, let me close this. There we go. I can't count how many times I've taken a trade due to the technicals, and then shortly after some news has come out, and everyone's like, wow, did you see the pump from that news? Huh. When the likelihood was it was going to pump anyways. Alright, I think if I was trading, I'll be getting into a sell right about now. Interesting that it's failing to break above. Woof. Now that you bark, now I'm nervous. Why? Why are we barking? Oh, grrr. Okay. Very distant. Oh, thank you. The only place... Some guy, you've seen... Have you? Did you see the video on my reel, like, that I posted? And that monkey, like, came at me? Did you see that video? That was real. Only time I trade on a news day is post-news after a major sell-off. Right, so I only trade post-news. I know some people believe like pre-news is sometimes better, like get your trade in before the news, and that's when sometimes the market's really pumped because people are either getting in or out of their positions. I've heard that, believe it or not. I heard rather stay out until after the news, but I have heard some people say if you are going to trade on news days, trade before the news, because that's when some people are trying to settle into positions, or obviously, like I said, take out of positions, and that's when sometimes there's some decent movement. I've always just stuck with the post-news situation though, because the volatility, no thanks. Sure, I got you, Mudcrab. Michael, do you prefer Mudcrab or Michael? Sorry. Should maybe ask that. Marty the monkey who wanted to be your friend and you shunned. He's still upset about that. Listen here, if Marty wanted to be my friend, he should have done it in a better, more polite way. Hey, 650 on ES is looking good still. Okay, microwave. You got this. Carrier bags of chip. No, because they will probably chase me. Free news is sketchy. That's proper gambling. Yeah, I know, but some people do it and it's scary. Hey, live. Is it live to learn or live to learn? What's up? This is a win. Indian, 1901. That's all 5 minutes. Extra hair mean all that happened with $1. That's the time to go on 100% of your account, no stop loss. Yes! Full pot, let's do it! With trading pre-news, it's going well. Trading could be really good for you or bad. I need like a damn sound, actually. That's what I need to get next. Live to learn Bitcoin. No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? But we do have a Bitcoin specialist here. Some guy. He's been living on the streets because everyone shuns him and you expect him to have manners. I don't expect manners. I just don't exactly want him jumping at me. Thank you very much. Thank you, bias for the day. Ooh. My bias for the day is still... Let's actually go to the daily. I want to say it's still bearish. I think it might come back into these fair value gaps, mitigate some more of the imbalance, but I mean, it's pretty solid inverse fair value gap. If we don't have a bit of a rejection off of there, I will be surprised. So my bias is still bearish, but that is most definitely not financial advice, just putting it out there. I mean, the daily is still range bound. I'm questioning my English skills. Maybe I need to stop talking for a minute. Does anyone want to just like hop on and just talk for me at this point? Because apparently English has left the building. People trade the news. I take 10 minutes to listen and read it first, then watch news before news again. Hey Nathaniel, what's up? How you doing? Feeling this isn't gonna reach full TP. I'm skeptical. Have you taken partials? I mean, it's so close, but have you taken partials, Microwave? Or are you at break even, or what's it? Hey Chaos, how long have I been trading? I have been trading for a year in April. Yeah. April, I would have been trading for a year. Hello, Bitcoin, currently 40k overpriced. So I should buy them. 4 hour, gotcha. Okay, here's the 4 hour. Back into this inverse fair value gap. Interesting, okay. Nasdaq will take liquidity down, sideways day. No, put me on my microwave. Really? Would you really want to hop on? I'm scared. Wait, you're gonna get me cancelled. She's going down, down, down. Hey, so see, I predicted correctly. A little bit of a retap into the inverse fair value gaps, then still short, daily bias, bearish, nailed it. Sorry, I get to be a little bit cocky sometimes. It doesn't happen often, but sometimes I'm allowed to be proud of my analysis. Okay, but I ain't starting buying again until biddy is under 50k, then I buy responsibly below 40. Demonte, I'll do it for free trade. For free? What do you mean for free trades? That makes me nervous. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. Yo, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow. I have hiccups. I can feel it coming. Let's grow this amazing community. And when did I become profitable, if you don't mind me asking? Chaos, so... Again, I don't quite know if I would call myself profitable exactly yet. But I don't know how to quite explain. I feel like I'm at a 3 steps forward, 1 step back situation in my trading right now, which is obviously good. It's 3 steps forward, 1 step back. I know some guys are going to yell at me for this because I guess theoretically I am profitable. I'm at break even now because if it breaks that 2-minute higher low, it will probably come back down. Hey Moses, what's up? Can you do USD? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Great, just to put it out there. I feel trading with you makes me much more patient waiting for set. Oh, Nathaniel, I'm glad. Welcome to the Patience Club. Yeah, check, Nathaniel, I had a win today. You missed it, but it's okay. I hope the rest of your day yesterday was amazing. I'm just checking this out quickly. I would not have taken this, but it would have been a win. Yeah, like I said, I would not have taken this, but would have been successful, but would have been a bit of a gamble. The only reason I would have taken this was me being, it's gonna go bob to bob level. Also, again, Mudcrab, I don't know if you responded. Why does bob to bob level make you cringe? Some guy yelling, sorry. Andre, what's up?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Why are we speaking in Afrikaans to me? Do you not want everyone else to understand what's happening? Right? Yes? Maybe? I'm just about to pass. She's only about 3 trades and I was trying to pass emails and she's killing it and she's still on. How much money have you spent into trading? I have to solidly think about this because shoot, I've forgotten how many evals I've blown. I've blown a few. You know that, Monte. You've watched me blow a few evals before. Say around $300 to $400. I want to say around there. Maybe more? Around there. Sorry, now that was proper brain power going into that one. Oh, hey, Highlight, what's up? What's up? How's your daily target? How many trades? And what's your R? Hey, driven by purpose. So, what's my daily target? To be in the green. That's it. How many trades and what's my RR? So how many trades depends on the price action. Like today, not bad here, which is why I took this trade. Tried up a little bit here, waiting for confirmation. Has it hit 250 yet? Not yet. Sorry, I'm watching. Someone else has a TP at 950 on ES, so I am just keeping track so that I can go whoop whoop when it hits. I'm being positive for you, Microwave. You've got this. Oh damn, okay, interesting. Yeah, so not wrong about the buyers being in control here. Haha. Sorry. And my RR is... Sorry, I'm giggling because I sound like a pirate when I say that. It's a 1 to 2R strategy, but I do leave a runner. So this would have nearly been a 3R runner. I took out, well, it went and took out the Asia low there. So that was my point of interest for it to go down to. But yes, in general, it's a 1 to 2R strategy. This is nice. Would it have been nice? Let's see. I mean, I would have had 1, 2. Okay, so not nice. Never mind. Would have worked out nicely, but not nice. Oh, whoop whoop! Microwave! Whoop whoop! I see that. I see that. Yes! Yes! Microwave! Bob to Bob. Thinking like that, I mean. Oh, Wick is kind of unsure when it wants to go, and Bob to Bob makes me queasy because it kind of contradicts the way you trade. Interesting. 40k and forget about it till then. At 40k I must sell my soul to you. Both my kitties will live maybe. Oh, don't you dare, some guy. If you sell Elf, I will hunt you down. I'll hunt you down. Thinking like, oh, the Bob's, oh. Chaos, what strategy am I using? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Oh! Simplify, you can speak Afrikaans. Hey Redo, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I see that win is more than enough to take us to Nando's tonight. Heck yeah, Nathaniel. Nando's for the win. Do I break my rules sometimes or all the time? I try really hard not to. You can ask people in the chat. I've really, since, okay, let me not say August, since September, I have been working on the discipline and the psychology behind trading so hard. Especially last week, I got told off by Only True Trader, OTT, with regards to mitigating my risk. Sorry, not mitigating my risk. Mitigating my contracts, I get mitigating my risk. Because then in the long run, I would screw myself because I would have the correct amount of contracts on the losers and I would basically half my contracts on the winners, which means I was basically then trading a 1-to-1R strategy. So that is the most recent thing I've been working on, is just always set the correct amount of contracts. If you have an A+ setup, take it, leave it alone, have your set of rules, follow it, almost become a little bit more mechanical with it. It's what I've been working on. Yes, it's what I've been working on. Really, really hard.
Hello, what's up?
There's no reason to expect anything different this time around. Can't hunt me down, I'm an enigma. Now I'll find you. Looking at fib retracement tool on Business Insider. Chaos, what's a lot? Currently up 200 plus a runner. Hey, microwave! Whoop whoop, indeed! Hey Mama Keely, what's up? I've watched your mental game improve so much since October. Thanks, some guy. Yeah, listen. Are there still some days? Like you'll see, I've posted a short, it'll come out later today. Monday, I wasn't having the best mental day. And it happens, right? We are only humans, emotions are gonna take over. I think what's important is that you either take a step back or just lock yourself out for that day. Why are we yelling? Maya, try to take a B and C setup. Why? No. Simplify what? That's so cool! And you can speak Afrikaans? I love it. I didn't know that. Look at that. You learn something new all the time. B setups happen more often and with proper risk management could be more profitable in the long run. That's interesting. I haven't really considered that. Yeah, but okay. Oh no, I would have to do some thorough backtesting on that. Let's just be fair. I would have to do some proper backtesting on it because that could completely screw with the win rate. Like I said, I'd have to backtest the B setups. Hey RW, Bresler, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? And I'm out for the day. First losing day of the week. Oh no! Wait. Thank you, Jackson. You have a oh wait. Never mind. I forgot where. No. No. Yes. Sorry. I forgot where you live. I was like, but today's a new day. Didn't you have a loss yesterday? Never mind. I'll be quiet. Yeah. What about you, RW Bresler? Where or what do you trade? Where you from? Tell me a bit about yourself. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, damn, I didn't know you were Afrikaans. That's impressive. Okay, so I can't swear in Afrikaans around you because you'll know what I'm saying. I can't swear in any language, but let's just be... Yeah, anyways. Swearing in Afrikaans is just a little bit more satisfying. Have Zimbabwe Mala. These Engels. Bulawayo. Sorry. Sorry, that's a Zimbabwe thing. Hi, can you please tell me if it's worth trading Nasdaq futures outside of before New York open hours? I'm trying to find financial instrument to trade earlier during the day. I'm located in Hey Zaza, so I guess it's a bit tricky. I don't hate London. I mean, I had a win here, but again, it does kind of depend on the day. Sometimes the London price action's awesome, sometimes it sucks. I know a lot of people trade gold rather during the the London session. Like I said, I don't actually hate the London session on Nasdaq, but I think I'm also, I don't know, I'm weird, so it's a bit tricky. But I do know there's a bunch of people that trade other assets during the London session and they find that more volatile and it works better for them. King, yes. Micro, this is apparently World War II evolution over correct and RW Brislet, you're also from South Africa? What's up? That's cool. It's 9:30 p.m. for me in Australia. No, got up yesterday and Monday, halfway to passing a bill too. But just took a smile. Hey, NQ Jax, well done. You got this. Hey, Rafiki. I'm trading shares at the moment. I trade some when rack. Evolution takes millions of years. It doesn't have a free basis. Something process issue. Ma, you're currently in a buy. Oh, that's not a bad position, especially maybe potentially to the top where it's going to retap into an inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. Let's see though. Let's see. It did just hit this major. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Hey, yo, all my South Africans! How's it going? Mud Crab, are you still here? Oh, there you are. No! Oh. Aww. Good luck, Mud Crab. Mad love. I'll see you tomorrow. Mad love. Tell everyone I love them. Say bye to Cara and good luck for tomorrow morning. I see that. Develop some support in the meantime. Am I looking for shorts? I was looking for shorts, yes. I think this is a correction. I mean, this could potentially correct all the way back up here. Could even correct to the 630-ish level. I know that's quite a big jump, so I guess, yeah. But in the long run, I'm still bearish bias. Obviously willing to change bias if opportunity presents itself, but still bearish bias. For trading, thank you. Absolutely, Mudcrab, thank you. Thank you. Mad love. Please be safe. Good luck taking care of everyone. Plus evolution only takes one year when it comes to physical emotional change investment. Happen in period. Oh, okay. You know what happened yesterday? Day's range was wild. I do not. Was it not? London yesterday was awful. I had a bad day yesterday. I mean, not mentally. Mentally was good. Monday I had a bad mental day. Yesterday was just not a great trading day. I had the correct bias. I was just entering at the exact wrong moments, which was frustrating. Like for example, I probably would have entered a short, I'm giving an example of what happened yesterday. I would have entered for a short here, when actually it was a bit more of a retracement before a potential. This is all potentially, and in my opinion, guys, it's not financial advice. I cannot guarantee that this is indeed going to be dropping further down. This could just completely fool me and continue to the buy side. I wish I could read the markets that well. Damn, I would be winning at life if I could. Bounty on my head, what's up? So my strategy is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. I'm not looking for shorts. I was, but then I went long. That's not a condition wish. Anyways. Anyone providing liquidity for the markets? Hey, Tom, there's a few people providing, but maybe not liquidity. Maybe they're providing some awesome wins. Let's be positive people over here. I don't know about bears or bulls, but coffee? Yeah, I know coffee. I hear that. Monday made money early in New York time and then gave it all back and some. No! I'm so sorry. We meant to move, run, and eat and die, but instead we eat and we sit and help. I need to be the caretaker, you know, I have a duty. I did not share. I love you all. Hope you have an amazing night, day. Lots of winning trades. Okay, Mudcrab, I'm gonna say this one more time for today. I'll probably say it again tomorrow. Discord. Just go onto your phone while you're taking care of them. Just go into that app. Get Discord. No pressure. But a little bit of pressure, but no pressure. Did well yesterday on Tesla. Ooh, okay, nice, Zaz. So you trade. Does anyone else trade Tesla? Is it Tesla? Yeah. TSLA? Tesla? I've heard some decent things going on there. I know Bitcoin's crashing at the moment. Sorry, I'm laughing because I shouldn't be laughing. That's mean. I shouldn't be laughing. But I am laughing because I was getting lectured the one day by someone saying, no, you must buy Bitcoin now. Now is the time. And I was attempting to have a discussion with them about Bitcoin and how it's still dropping and you know, my opinion about it. And they wanted to hear nothing from me because I'm a girl, you know, what do I know? Which is very rude, but oh my gosh, look at the time. I didn't even realize it was that time already. Wow, time flies when you're having fun on the markets. Anyways. But with options, more to invest, but also I have to be careful to use something nearly at I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, mad love, Mudcrab. Thank you for always supporting. You're awesome. More invest, but also trade. Interesting. Okay. Demonte got my back. You should have got me on the phone. Why? Some guy, you know what? Next time I will call you up on Discord and be like, you know, talk to him. And you can give him a what for, because like I said, I'm having a very big giggle now. Because obviously all of his investments are going down. And I said to him that my opinion was that it wasn't the right time to be investing in it. You know, wait for the dip and all that. All the girls say goodbye, girl. Lots of love and sorry that we take you, Daddy Crab. You should be sorry. I'm gonna miss Daddy Crab. Just kidding. You guys have so much fun. Good luck for tomorrow. That's all I'm gonna say. Good luck for tomorrow. Highest return during my trading career came from Tesla stock. Ooh, that's interesting. I'm gonna have to maybe have a look at that then. Like I said, I've been curious about investing, but hear me out. Oh, damn. Bye guys, love you. Little mistake. See you tomorrow, guys. Today, Google earnings, tomorrow, Amazon. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Just because someone got your back doesn't mean they are right. Okay, wait. Get serious question about this is now just investing in general. And I know we day trade here, but I am genuinely curious about something. So is it better to invest in one thing, right? Like Bitcoin or Tesla or whatever, or gold, you know, I'm spitting out things here. Or would it not be better to invest in like top 100 companies? Because then even if one of those top 100 companies is doing bad, the rest will still, you know, they're still the top 99 in that case, I guess. I obviously haven't done any research on this. It's why I'm asking from just my understanding and some questions some people have asked me. So yeah, genuinely out of curiosity, would investing in like top 100 or, you know, S&P 500, all of those, would that not theoretically be better to invest in because it's safer? Does that make sense? That's out of pocket. Oh, good grief. Bitcoin on a crash course, I love it. Where in South Africa am I from? Ooh, hey Justin. I'm KZN side of the world. Well, I was from Pretoria, moved down to KZN recently, dying from the heat and humidity, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm down by the beach. Always better to diversify your portfolio, so it depends really on what the rest of your portfolio looks like. Tesla's good to trade, has steady moves. Okay, let's say you don't have a portfolio. Okay, maybe let's start with that. Let's say you have nothing. You have nothing. What would be better? You know, especially it's certainly safe. Okay, there we go. Similar to Nasdaq, top trading author, and he's made millions from his trading. Diversification to some extent is good and can allow you to beat average market return. However, over diversifying is more likely to reduce your returns. However, it will also reduce your risk. Okay, so I guess it depends on how much you want to get back out of it. What Nasdaq symbol, like US 100 or I'm on the micro E-minis. Here we go. MNQ1 or MNQ. Yeah, MNQ. Oh nice, I'm originally from Bloemfontein. Nice, but now love it in the UK. Oh, you're in the UK, so you don't regret moving. Yes, for people who don't know a lot, it's not their career to trade. Buyers, good for them, and QQQ. Interesting, makes sense, but not logical. Okay, why not logical? You can buy 100 ETF safely and make 5% gain a year, or invest in Nvidia directly and make a plus 30% return. All boils down to risk and what knowledge you have. Okay, but maybe that's the thing, right? If you don't have any knowledge in it, you just want something safer that maybe you won't get as much return, but you know, you're willing to invest it and leave it there for years, right? Years and years. Then it's fine. I'm actually gonna copy paste this. Sorry, do you see I'm diversifying. I'm learning a little bit more, so it's not just about day trading. Gotta start learning about the investing and the swing trading. Obviously, I understand the swing trading. I don't know why it terrifies me more than the thought of investing. I don't know why. I can't explain it. MNQ1, yes. RW Brazler, that's the one. ETFs are the way to go. It's coming back. Did you move? You moved it to break even, but are you following the swings? Microwave? It went up to 54, it's back down to 47. I'm young and appetite for risk is high. Ooh, damn transome. Oh my god. I tried sleeping but can't stop. Platinum player, that was sassy. Anyways. You can trade QQQ or Nasdaq 100 for that. I mean, the weather, but only other than that, it's good this side. Nice. USA companies down, tech focus down, global companies down. Seems bearish to me. My opinion, the issue with investing is, let's say you average 5% a year by buying SP 500. Then you factor in inflation over a 20-year period, saving for retirement. Inflation eats your returns. That's interesting. So, okay, wait. So some guy, you don't invest. Yeah. That's very interesting, because I know a lot of people are very into just investing. Like I said, this was the whole argument in this this person was like yelling at me saying, you should invest now. And I was like, oh my gosh, leave me alone. Anyways, I scalp. I'm impatient. Zaza, thank you, me too. Personality types, right? What time frame am I on? I'm on the 1 minute right now. Is it Riri? What's up, Riri? And is it futures? Yes, it's futures. It's the Nasdaq futures. Did anyone trade gold today? Gold looks scary, Tom, not gonna lie. Do I ever trade New York Open? Justin, I do. I trade both London and New York. So I am back later, well, today or tomorrow morning, depending on where you live. But I am here for both London and New York session every day, Monday to Friday. Gotta keep the grind going, right? Now I'm eating a salmon bagel. Plus I've had 3 positions hit already. Yeah. Microwave, seriously, share the love. What the heck, man? Share the love. My swing strategy is to study a stock and know when it's really worth based on my study, and then when it reaches that number, I just keep buying it. Interesting. Okay. Alright, bye guys. Have fun, yes. But I'll see you tomorrow in your car a little. Now it's gonna be fun. Oh, I got you, Mud Crab. I got you. Oh, you're funny in apartment rentals. It will increase in value. Do not sell your apartments, only if it makes sense. What are your plans now at seeing banned futures? It hasn't. Thank heavens. It was a technical error. Thank heavens. I didn't. I thought I might have to get CFDs. That would have been the only way. So thank heavens it was a technical error. Can still trade. That was a very scary situation. Not gonna lie. I took profits and re-entered. I'm in it short still. Hey, are you still in the short? Nice. Love you all. I can teach you what I know about investing if you care tomorrow. But everyone, take care. Happy trading, everyone, and make sure to look after. Aw, thanks, Mud Crab. You're amazing. Mad love. And say bye to Cara. Closest I do to investing is crypto bear market bottom. I buy crypto, I then sell off along the way up, then sit in cash until next bear market. Really more of a super swing trader, no leverage. Okay, yes, but you're constantly taking out. You're not like just leaving it there and that's it. For example, Tesla, when it's below 2 years, just through my money is gradually, and when it goes below 200, I max my loan and throw it in. Remember, I did this many times and I know it went down because... Interesting. People are scared, but the values of the stock is still there. Yeah, no. Thank heavens. Thank heavens. All of the South Africans were stressing. I did bounty on my head. I took a trade here. It was a nice winning trade. Super chuffed with it. I nearly considered taking another trade here. Maybe I could have taken this trade here back up to the Bob level. But it was more risky, so it wasn't worth it. And now I do think it might potentially be range bound until New York. Let's see. Still live, new time change. Oh no, I stay on a tiny bit later during the London session because sometimes it actually moves pretty decently around lunchtime. I have noticed that sometimes I will clock off for the London session and then the proper moves actually happen, and that was really making me angry. So here we are. Little crap. Yeah, she should be. She should be. Honestly. Clearly, sharing is not caring. No, I'm joking. I'm so joking. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Have fun. Have fun. Oh, you're still here just listening. Oh, David, what's up? I hold 0 crypto right now. I bought below 20k. Well, it's 11 AM in London. I'm looking at InQ and feels like it's just moving sideways. Yeah. Buy low, sell high, wait for opportunity to buy low, rinse and repeat. Oh, I like that. Hey, Noah, what's up? To be fair. No, let's carry on this investment talk. I'm quite curious and interested in this. Because it was actually, sorry, this is how the investment talk started. It's because, number one, the dude hounding me about Bitcoin and how I should have bought back then, and now it's dropped solidly, which I'm laughing at because trying to mansplain things to me. Sorry. I know it's not everyone and not everyone does that, but yo, he was Yeah, he was a lot. But then, so it was actually my mom who was interested, and she was like, oh, what should I invest in for this and this and this? And she was the one that heard about maybe investing in like the S&P 500 and things like that. So I was genuinely curious to hear your thoughts, because I don't know enough, and I don't want to sit there and lie and be like, no, don't do that, go and invest in this. But that investing and the inflation is very interesting. I do think that's very interesting. It's interesting to maybe be taking out when it reaches certain levels as well. And then, like you said, when there's a dip, almost reinvest. Like you said, buy the dips. I think the problem, like, that would work for me. That would work for me. I'd be able to do that because I'm on the markets every day. But like for my parents, that wouldn't really work, would it? I cannot trade. Buy high and higher. Hey, Arcane. What broker do you use? I currently use Top One Futures. Oh, BT Dubs. They are having a 40% discount. If you want to use my code, it's TeachMaya, all caps. Violin is also having some awesome specials at the moment. I might have to update that. I don't think it's 84% anymore. There was a... No, I think it's different now. There was a stage that was 89% discount. Violin always has just actually amazing discounts. You must go check them out. Bitcoin, if you understand. That's the thing. So for example, let's say people into a position on S&P, they have to put it money in, and then they also need price to increase by like 20 to 30% over 20 years. To 10% yearly as an average. Arcane Asylum Gaming, what do I think about gold? Gold is terrifying right now. That's what that's it. That's my thoughts about gold right now. Terrifying! If you know what you're doing and just go from bear to bull, you're able to get larger gains over each market cycle and outperform by a large margin. Nah, David doesn't trade. Buy partner complexes and hold forever. Bitcoin is getting washed. I think we'll break below 70 this month. What time frame? Hey-o! The Justice? This is the 1 minute time frame I'm currently looking at, yeah. What do I think about Polymarket? I don't actually know what that is, sorry. Wait, what's Polymarket? I started investing long-term lower risk. Now I'm pushing trading, taking on more risk after portfolios built, and for beginners, taxes and long-term gains aren't as painful. You buy Bitcoin when there's a dip and sell when your grandma talks to you about it. Sorry, that is hilarious. Oh my gosh. If I would invest, I'd choose one index fund and 2 or 3 commodities. Ooh. MFX, do I have a mentorship program? Definitely not yet, because I'm still new. I would feel pretty hypocritical mentoring people. Good grief. Okay. Seriously guys, thank you for all that information. That was wild. Do you have Pulse app in South Africa? I don't think so. I'd love sub 70 this month, but in my opinion, we're due relief soon. We're down 20% in under a week. We'd like to see some sort of pullback up, maybe 80, 84k, then damp it haze. Buy high and sell higher, said every gambler. Who says buy high and sell higher? I mean, you sell the high. But anyways, Bitcoin is becoming less and less popular as the crypto market broadens. It will trend down to 2026 and probably. Ooh, Hogs, that's interesting. What about Solana? Sorry, I've heard a little bit about it, but I don't quite know about. Sorry, we are now in this conversation. I haven't even checked out the chart wiggles. I mean, to be fair, it's kind of going sideways, but still. Here is 600. Bitcoin could go as low as 62k indeed, which is normal. Oh, is it normal? No, I'm higher. I'm gonna hire this great project, but we'll just follow Biddy. Okay, so that makes sense because this guy was all about Bitcoin and Solana, so clearly he has a type. That sounds weird, but you know, yeah. What program do I suggest to learn futures. So I'm using TradingView. You can get TradingView for free, but obviously it's then just delayed by 10 minutes. But if you're wanting to start understanding the charts and how the futures move, I mean, it doesn't matter if there's a delay. If you're just trying to figure out a strategy, figure out how they move, you know, forward test a little bit, back test a little bit, all of that, then that's not bad. So TradingView is good. Anyone else have some suggestions for that? Very conservative estimate of the market bottom. In the gold zone, watching closely as we approach right from high. Maybe you get trading right if you have volume point of control. That's a chop in the middle. I like price to move away from that point and then snap back to it. But so what I was thinking is that this might actually still continue a little bit higher. There's a very big inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour up above here, so it could potentially come back, mitigate some of this imbalance, and then snap back down. I'm suspecting. I won't be surprised if it does that. Let's just put it that way. We basically snapped back down, took out Asia low, so maybe we're going to start creeping back up, pop back into that inverse fair value gap, and then start seeking for some lows again, because I am still bearish bias. I'm willing to change my mind, you know, things happen. But yeah. Oh, you mean a course? Oh, my bad. Sorry. Oh, you mean a course? Sorry, I didn't even use a course. I mean, you're more than welcome to hop on here. We talk quite a bit, and if you have questions, you could also hop onto the Discord. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. If I don't have the answer, someone else will have the answer. It's a very knowledgeable group and a very friendly group. Some jokes thrown around here and there, but in general, everyone is so willing to help and so willing to teach. I absolutely love the Discord community that we have. So if you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome. Yeah. Have I ever smoked? I'm trying to quit. I did. Luckily, I don't really have an addictive personality, so I didn't. Not for long. I'm scared. That's right nutty. Okay, with that terrible joke. Sorry. That was not okay, Ryan. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I saw an opportunity and I seized it. I'm so sorry, Ryan. That was not okay. Moving on. In case you guys didn't see what he said, because that was not okay. I apologize. I don't know where you are, but Ryan, I think he's trolling, but that joke was too good to pass up. I am scared. My left testicle is being removed in 2 hours, so yes, I said that's right nutty. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Come on, please, come on. That was funny. Please say I get a laugh for that one. It was funny. Microwave, what's the Discord? So it is in the description below. If you can't find the link or if the link doesn't work, feel free to pop me an email and I'll send it to you directly. My email is teachmayatrading@gmail.com. Fairly simple. And no, there's different strategies. There's a bunch of different people in there. So no, you will find someone who's trading similar, or maybe not at all, and then you can teach people something new, which I think is awesome. Very witty and just a bit nutty. There we go. Thank you. Oh gosh. Oh, that joke was not sad. I thought it was funny. Oh shoot. Okay. On that very bad joke, I'm gonna call it there for today. That was a really good day. That was super informative. Had a win, had some proper real discussions about investing and the markets. I loved it. Today was so informative. You guys are the best. I will be back for New York Open. I will see you there. Ryan, good luck. I'm so sorry. Please come back on and tell us how it goes. I'm so sorry. But yes, I love you guys madly. I'll be back for New York Open. If not, I'll see you tomorrow, London Open. I love you guys. Bye.